should always then. You were sweating in the neon light. It was a coin lost in the system's maze. A vision as a room for freedom was my way to survive. The crash, the dukes, they burn it all away. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. I'll never trust the system, judging or hear the lies. If you keep saying it's all going fine. No more banks, no more chains to bind, keeping us enslaved. Tell me how to break free from this night. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your days with your stash, burning cash. Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Feel the burning money, nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your days with your stash, burning cash. Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Tonight.
Crypto anarchy! Neon lights and broken screens. AI rules the new machine. Miners dig, but they don't eat. Fiat's dead, we're on the streets. Cash is burning, banks are dust. No more trust, no more us. Robots took the 9 to 5. Now we fight just to survive. Burn it down, no control. We're the ghosts of the protocol. You break the chains, take it back. Crypto punks don't fade to black. Crypto walking. Billionaires just pull the strings, hoarding coins like cyber kings. We were promised something more, but we're just numbers in a war. Cash is burning, banks are dust. No more trust, no more us. Robots took the 9 to 5. Now we fight just to survive. Burn it down, no control. We're the ghosts of the protocol. You break the chains, take it back. Crypto punks don't fade to black. Crypto anarchy! No power's fake, it's all a lie. No escape, they own the sky. Decentralized, not for long. Fuck the rules, we sing the song. Embedded deep in the system's maze. Dreaming of financial freedom, it was the only way to survive. No, the crash, the dips, they burn it all away. No, 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 no. Neon streets standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, nowhere to hide. Robots rise, taking all our jobs. Surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that Fiat made? Watch your keys tonight. Burning money. Feel the burning money. Spending this lonely night. Stacking more. Tonight. Burning money. Touch me. Burning money. Show me your gains with your stash. Burning cash. I could never trust the system, buried in debt and lies. You keep saying it's all going fine. No more banks, no more chains to bind. No more keeping us enslaved. Tell me how to break free from these chains. The chains. Neon streets standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, nowhere to hide. Robots rise, taking all our jobs. Surviving day by day. How will you ever break free from the chains that Fiat made? I want your keys tonight. Burning money. Feel the burning money. Spending this lonely night. Stacking more. Tonight. Burning money. Watch me. Burning money. Show me your gains with your stash. Burning cash. Give me sats. Burning cash.
Big thoughts about crypto. What's the second thought? There is no second pass.
What is up, guys? Good evening, welcome back to the chaos. It is I, the Crypto Otaku, back yet again for some more crypto chaos. How you guys doing? We got, yes, Cliff is here, enjoying the flames. I see, enjoying the flames. Numero uno, Cliff in the house. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Strawberry Dragons, good evening, good evening. Yes, Braveheart McFreedom's here as well. Good evening, Strawberry Dragons. On the road listening, brother. And Chaos Family, let's get it, says Braveheart McFreedom. Let's go. Braveheart in the house. Guys, ready? Oh, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Yes, and gold's still going, man. Gold's still going. Will Bitcoin continue to rally around gold? Someone's taking all the credit. We're going to get into that here in a minute. Good evening, Otaku and Chaos Family. How's it going? Yes, Gamma Goddess, will you ever break the chains that fiat currency made? 100%. One of my favorite lyrics. Yes, let's go. Yes, Cliff, hello. Strawberry Dragons shouting out to everyone on the chat as well. Yeah, drive safe. Yes, Braveheart. Otaku will bring the chaos. Yes, I certainly will. Yeah, Cliff, Braveheart, and Strawberry. Gamma Goss shouting out everyone as well. How is it going, guys? Let's get this money. Of course, Gamma, let's get it. Go Time also in the chat. How's it going, Go Time? Strawberry Dragon says, please, more chaos. I need to run away from the plantation. Oh my gosh. Oh no. And here we go. What's up, Gamma guys? Hold the line. Yes, HODL. HODL the line. What else we got here, guys? I'm trying to catch up with the chat. Jumping. My chat is jumping. Holding the line, stacking the bags. Yes, hold the line. Crypto Jared's also in the house. How's it going, man? The man with the chaos. Yes, what is up, Otaku? Yes, always appreciate your lives during the work days. Well, I'm happy I can hit you guys on both of your evening hours and your day hours or morning hours. I can at least hit you two time slots for you. Gamma guys in the house. Yes, how's it going? Oh my God! Everybody is primed and ready to go tonight. Bitcoin hitting 112, but falling a little bit as we started the live stream. So we did come back down to 111 now. What's up, C Story? Yes, fire up the chaos. Yes, let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh yes. You have to play the guitar for the Chaos Family at least 30 seconds in one day. Oh, geez, one day. Yes, I'll join. Okay, that would be dope. Go Time. Yes. Hey, Crypto Chaos Family. How's it going, guys? Shilly. Jake is in the house, of course, telling me it's a shill, guys. I need to shill harder. We got to get to those 1,000 subs. We're so close. So close. You can taste it. You can smell it. I can feel it. I know Milk Money can feel it. My God. Oh, geez. We were so close, guys. We're up to, 860 last time I checked? 140 away, guys. 140. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Like. Yes, says A Guy 100%. Gamma, yeah, that what you're smacking Taco Quint around on the Patreon? What? Oh God, I'm so far behind. I got to get back over there. I was running out errands today. I got to figure out what you guys are shouting around. I was trying to reach out to Rob too. Trying to catch up with him as well. He was so pressed, says Jake. What in the hell? Oh my gosh, guys. Let's freaking go. Roar. Yes, Colin's also here. What is up, guys? I'm thinking I should sell a little silver, but I see the chart loading. Yes, chart is loading. Possible breakout towards $50 soon. Maybe 70 by the end of the year. Prepping dinner and getting my news, says A Guy. Yes, what's up, Go Time? It's chaos time, says Rod. How's it going, Rod? Chaotic Crypto Chaos, 100%. Smash that like button, says Go Time. Thank you, please. Let's get these guys. Let's get these likes in. Subs creeping while you sleeping. Yes. They were creeping in last night. Why? Well, we were on point again last night. Yes, we were. Let's get the dancing mascots out of here and get the show on the road. There we go. Goodbye. Out of here. All right, guys. So, yeah, we are, of course, calling it last night. We're calling for a baseline bear. And what happens, guys? More winning. So much, you may even get tired of winning. Looks like we might be back to winning again, guys. Can't take it anymore. I mean, it's honestly not enough winning, to be honest. You just keep fighting this 111, 110, sub 110, not even 120s anymore. We'll be back up there at some time. But yeah, calling for last night bear, baseline bear. We basically started in bear, ended up in baseline right as the market opened, and then bam, right around 11, 12 o'clock. We shot up to the moon, and someone's taking credit for it. We're going to get into that in here in the news in a bit. Seb's creeping. Yes, guitar riffs, says Uncle Duck. And maybe tomorrow. I've been doing a lot of cleaning today, and I just took everything out and put everything back in. It's a bit of a mess. But the studio's coming together. It's starting to get nice and cozy. This is exactly where I wanted to be before the bull run, right? It's nice and cozy, ready for 24-hour live streams and pandemonium. And that's where we are. We're almost there, guys. Chaos is loading. Yes. I am paying a minimum on my credit card and stacking my bags. Yes, yes, Strawberry Dragons. Let's go. Crypto God, please. Rocket Moon. Soon. Quint keeps saying bad words on the Patreon and was wanting to fight Andy. What in the hell? Quint, come on, my guy, come on. Yeah, he's been getting really ornery lately. I can definitely tell. Where's that crazy taco? Where is he? Okay. Oh, who, me? Jeez, guys. All right. Let's get into some of the metrics. As always, guys, let's take a look and see how the market's doing. Boom, Bitcoin. Yeah, this has changed quite a bit since I started the live stream. We did smash through some of this resistance, though. Look at this. We're smashing through. Now there is a lot more green below us, meaning that the longs are coming in now and the shorts are going away. Getting wrecked slowly, ever so slowly. But we do have a crap ton ahead of us. And of course, the big max pain would be around 120,000. If we wipe this out in, I don't know, next 15 days, 17 days, this is going to just wreck people all to hell. There's about $20 billion liquidations if we hit that target. So again, they can hold us back as long as they want, but eventually we will shoot back up there. And someone is about to get wrecked. So yeah, we have a little bit left to go through. Maybe tonight, when the foreign markets start moving, maybe they can gravel the rest of this up. It's a very little green area. I just want to wipe that out and reset the market. Again, what's below us right now are hopefuls. Hopeful people to try to grab some of this golden pocket. I don't know if they're going to get that. We're probably going to come back down and retrace to a little higher level of support, like maybe 110 might be a better level now. Again, previous resistance now will be support. So look out for that as well. So yeah, this is of course Kim by the White Snowland. YouTube channel, and yeah, of course I share you with you guys every single day. This is the I'm not off point tonight, guys. I'm off point. Oh Jesus. Okay, of course bringing you the heat map for free. Kim by the White Snowland on YouTube. Don't pay for something you get for free, guys. All right, moving on. U.S. national debt currently sitting at, drum roll please, 37,315 billion, bringing on average about 6 or 7 billion every single day. Here we are, guys. This is ridiculous. I cannot believe we are betting on the death of the dollar every single day. It's just so crazy, especially living in America to want this. But we want a global market, right? We want a real world free, real. My God, I can't speak tonight, guys. We want a free world market. My God, and the only way to do that is to have Bitcoin usher in the new world market, or world economy. Okay, so yes. Whoa, what the hell? Things are jumping. Okay, there we go. I just wanted to kind of check in real quick with some of these other countries. We got Japan sitting at negative 293 debt to GDP. Still kind of coming down. They did start raising interest rates finally after 40 years. Yeah, probably about time to do that. God. China reporting at 86.5%. USA pretty much at 100% negative debt to GDP. We have Germany 74%, 93% in India. UK on 119, 114, and the list goes on and on and on and on. No one is relatively in the green. All right, and I mean, you don't really want to be in the green if you can borrow enough. But oh my God, you're borrowing 100% debt to GDP. Yeah, okay. Fed decision in September, looking at 86% right now for a 25%. A 25 basis point cut. That's still, nothing's really changed there. This number keeps going up quite a bit and down. The highest we've seen on this has been, 93 now? So the Fed decision in September is kind of now up to the jobs numbers on Friday. So it's kind of what we're waiting for. Everyone's waiting for Friday. Everything else, nothing really in the top here. Trump released more of the island files. Yeah, 53% chance. Okay. All right. Nothing else popping up on Polymarket again. Brought to you by Polygon Blockchain. Fear and greed right now sitting at 52 in neutral. Sitting in neutral right now for the stock market ending today in fear. Compared to what they were yesterday. Yesterday and today we were trading right around a 64% sentiment on the fear and greed. Crypto right now coming in little bullish, a little bullish. When I started the live stream, this one I set up. The live stream was at 55. Let's refresh right now because we do not sleep. And there we go, back to neutral. And yeah, in comparison to the stock market, about the same. Right, 98 coming in on the Dixie, flat, 98 flat. That's fine. That's fine. Send this down to 97. The yields, guys. The yields on these freaking the treasuries, man. What is it like? You can make more money on a 1 month treasury bond, a 1 month note, than you can on a 1 year. This is broken. It's broken. Yeah, and people are still going there as a flight to safety. I don't understand it. It's just TradFi, old money. Yeah, market cap for Bitcoin dominance still sitting at 58.35. Yeah, still coming down dominance, but not quite enough to get the entire run going. Still not quite alt season yet. Look for that 55 level as a good indicator that we're going to start altcoin season soon. Okay, some people are already calling it altcoin season. I don't understand how. I got an article a little bit onto that narrative there. Okay, the top 10 assets in our space right now over on Coin Market Cap. Just want to kind of revisit the total market cap right now. It's doing all right. It's coming back up to 3.86 trillion. Not too bad. Milk Bunny, I see all those fire in the chat, man. I see it in the corner of my eye. Damn. I appreciate it, my man. You're here. That's right. Yeah, here you guys are here for the news, but stay for the chaos. That's right, Milk Money. That's right. Okay. So yeah, $3.86 trillion in market cap for total crypto right now. And oh damn, Jake, you guys in the flames, that's freaking awesome. Let's freaking go. Yes, looking pretty good again. The highest we saw in the last few days was what, 3.89. So it's still up there, still doing okay. Top 10 market. What the hell is this? Trending, top trending right now. Purple Pepe is back in the trends. Oh my god. Alright, top 10 assets. Just going to see if anything's shaking around here. Chainlink's still having a number 11. Tron is still at number 9. Cardano at 10. Nothing's really happened or changed here. Looks like BNB, yep, still ahead of a Solana, number 5. And the rest goes on and on and on. Tether and XRP keep fighting for number 3 in terms of market cap, and that's about it. I think it's pretty much the same lineup we saw yesterday, guys. No one else really flipping anything or doing anything major in the top 20 right now even. Going back, of course, to the very bottom to check on Jasmine. It looks like Jasmine just got knocked out of the top 100. Damn, with Sandbox coming in at 100. What? Sandbox? Virtualist Protocol sneaking back into 100 too today as well. That's interesting on the outskirts here of Jasmine, pushing Jasmine into 101. Damn, how the mighty have fallen. Little coin out of Japan. We are getting good bullish news out of Japan, though. They are starting to make some progress on their with their policymakers on getting crypto capital gains down to like 25% for the country. It's a possibility for Japan, and they're trying to make some ripples in. No pun intended. Ripples in the ocean over there. Okay. All right. What else we got today? What else we got? Of course, my favorite metrics to share with you guys every single day. That's how much Bitcoin's left on exchanges. And today is no different. Even with these low or lower high on Bitcoin, there's still less on exchanges for you to gobble up. Look at this giant cliff we just fell off of. Let's see how many Bitcoin are available now. Oh, boy. Here we go. Here we go, guys. 2.2 million, the lowest on exchanges ever this year and in the last 10 years. Guys, get yourself some of this beautiful, beautiful financial freedom. Come on, come on. If you're not doing it, I don't know how else to prove it to you. Get some of these orange pills and get one of your friends or family members to do it as well. Just one pill a day. It keeps the FOMO at bay and the FUD away. Delicious orange pills of freedom. All right, all right. Yeah, you can't make this crap up, guys. This is ridiculous. 2.2 million on exchanges. That's all that's left. And you guys still have to convince people on exchanges to sell that Bitcoin to you. So it's not like, yeah, even if one person wanted to gobble up the rest of it, or one country, they couldn't do it. They couldn't do it. Every billionaire goes out and runs out and tries to buy one Bitcoin. They couldn't do it. There's 60 million millionaires, and there's only 2 available on the exchanges, guys. Do not go alone. Don't go out there alone without any Bitcoin. All right, moving on. I think I shilled enough of Bitcoin. God, they can never shill enough of Bitcoin. Never. You know what else I can shill more of? and not enough of my stream. Guys, if you haven't, please hit that like button and hit the sub. It doesn't cost a single thing to hit that like and subscribe, guys. Yeah, we're trying to get to 1,000. We're so close as the bull run continues on. It continues to drag on, really. All right, Bitcoin price chart still telling you to be buying, not even back to accumulation. Accumulation begins at 117,000. The longer we stretch this out, we're not even in still cheap territory. $160,000 Bitcoin, and we haven't even touched it. Even back when it was 150 at the beginning of the year. Ridiculous, guys. We're still early and still super cheap. Not still cheap, but still super cheap. Almost at fire sale, which fire sale is, the fire sale target, $87,000 Bitcoin. I don't see we're coming back there anytime soon. All right, guys. And again, if you zoom out, it looks like we haven't even got this run started yet. It looks like the exact run up from 17 into 2021 or into 18. Not even like 2021. We are at least a little bit more bullish, I guess, in the bear market of 2020, 2019 leading up into 20 and 21. But yeah, right now, it looks like we are doing this crazy 17 cycle thing where we're just running up and getting a really short-lived run. Even back then, we still started in March just like we did in 2021. That's what I experienced. And we are so far behind, guys. We're 6 months behind on this run. So, cycle's over? Maybe. All right, I just wanted to, get my 2 sats out on that one. Top 10 assets of the world. Bitcoin still holding on to number 8 after being flipped by silver at the beginning of this week. Silver continues to do damage. Sitting at 41.5 today. What's the highest it got today? Let's take a look at silver real quick. The highest silver got today on the charts was 41.5. That's not right. I guess it really depends on which one you look at. This one right here says maybe when I was starting up the live stream. 5.6, yeah, 416. Right now it says 416. I don't know. Must be futures. Maybe futures affecting that price. Gold right now sitting at an all-time high at 3,606. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain.
What are you?
Yes. Too many orange pills. Okay, let's get into some of the news. But before I do, guys, we got to get back in the chat and catch up with you guys. I'm behind. I'm so far behind. Oh my god, look at all the stuff in chat. You guys are blowing it up like crazy. Quit saying bad words. Oh my god, I got to go over and check on him. Missed that feud. He was sending me messages earlier on Discord. I was like, you were telling me to subscribe. I'm already subscribed. You just changed your name, and I didn't know I was subscribed. I'm like, what the hell? Helping him out on his channel over here as well. Jake the Snake says, all my messages got sniped by a mod, and they got deleted, lost to the ether. That's another reason why I hate that people call Ethereum ether. Not that you are. I'm just saying it gets lost in the sauce when when people say words like that. Yes, it did. I'm sorry. I mean, what happened? Oh, you stopped by a mod. By a mod in let me know, Jake, a mod here on YouTube or a mod on Discord or Patreon. Let me know. He kept calling Swiftcoin. Oh my god, really? Come on, Quint. Why has he got to raise so much hell? My god, where's Ramoni when you need her? Where's Crypto Mom when you need her, man? Come on, Crypto Mom. We gotta spank Chadimus, man. Jake, he's got too many names, dude. Chad, Quint, Scrub. I don't even remember the other ones. There's too many to remember. Where do you guys sell your silver usually? I don't sell any silver. I haven't sold any in my life. I don't know. Jeez. Looking to get some more dry powder, says Jake. Pawn shops, I guess. Gold, silver pawn shops. I don't know. I'm here for the chaos. Yes, Milk Money. I did catch you when you, in the corner of my eye. And yes, Jake the Snake with more chaos and freedom. Let's go. I love it. Every time I see those eagles following your flyer, I just think of that. Yes, Otaku, why has the Patreon become a police stat with a tier system for swings like a gacha game? What? What, Scrub? What are you talking about? Did Otaku mention the Golden Cross? Oh, God. Golden Crosses, Death Crosses. Oh, God. If Bitcoin is Godzilla, is Bitcoin Cash Mecha Godzilla? There's a lot of Mechagodzillas then, if you want to get into that territory. I mean, Litecoin is technically Mechagodzilla as well. So is BSV. So is Bitcoin Gold. So is Bitcoin Silver. Diamond, Platinum, bullshit, nonsense. But there can only be one. Only be one.
Bitcoin's powered by chaos.
Only one Bitcoin. All right, poor Taco, says Jake. Taco, you promised you would be selling at 100x on everything today. What the hell, Spence? Oh my god. Drink some horchata, eat a torta, and just chill out, says Jake. 100%. Yeah, Strawberry says, Taco, have you changed your exit target on XEN or Jasmine? No, I haven't. I can remind you what they are, though. I have not changed my targets. I don't think there's a real reason to right now. Everything still hasn't moved. We haven't seen until we see January highs. I might change my my target then. But my God, back in January, I think Jasmine was like 3 cents. XEN was like 5 cents. Swiftcoin was 2. I mean, it was explosive, man. Those coins for sure. I love them, especially swing trading together. I'm checking my targets real quick for you. Okay. So I'm still looking at my personal exit, guys. These are my personal exits for my, profit taking, right? I'll be taking some initial two out of these. I haven't taken an initial out of all these yet. Yeah, I'm looking at XCN right around 10 cents. Swiftcoin around 10 cents. Jasmine around a quarter. Hopefully. Oh, jeez. Miria. I'm looking at maybe 5 cents out of Miria. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 3. I might change that to 3. I haven't decided yet. ZBEC, 5 cents. That'd be insane. Yeah. And then, what else do I got here? Oh, I guess some, but we were also looking at, did I already say Swiftcoin? Yeah, I think I already did. Okay. I think we're good. I think I already caught up with those. What else we got here? Wait, what did I do, Scrub? What did you do? I don't know. What did you do? Oh, jeez. Okay. I don't like the flavor, Jake. You don't like strawberries? What the hell, dude?
Stupid.
Okay. No. I was Quint who got modded on the Patreon. Oh, it was Quint who got modded on the Patreon. I have a sneaking suspicion it was Gamma who spanked him for Ramona. Oh, nice. At least someone's doing the spanking. Crypto JPEG says, I'm late. Time got away from me. And no alert. No more T-word. Otaku. They're shadow banning you. Oh, no. But but we like to win. Can I at least say win?
Even get tired of winning.
Oh, Jesus. Mr. T. It's hard not to say the T word because his whole family is buying up all the damn projects and making all the money. I mean, they just made like $5 billion on that last coin we talked about on the family, the T family. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. For now, right, Taco Man? Yes. All right. I can't get modded anymore, says Scrub, because I don't say anything. Oh, jeez. All right. Oh, let's get back into the news, guys. We got to cover some things today. Some big things happen today. Bitcoin traders warn 12% monthly drop as Solana leads major gains. I actually wanted to talk about one of these first. I think this one. There we go. Bitcoin climbs above 112,000 as Trump-backed American Bitcoin debuts on NASDAQ. That's right. Eric Trump's taking the credit for this one. Or the Trump family in general. Damn it, I just did it. See, I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh my God. I said the word. I can't go a whole entire stream without saying the T word, guys. It's impossible. It's like it's in every single faucet of our news. Anyway, the T family has once again doubled down on Bitcoin, backing the latest digital asset treasury DAT firm to list the NASDAQ on Wednesday. American Bitcoin NASDAQ traded ABTC. Yes, it went live on the exchange with a merger with Griffin Digital Mining Incorporated. The new entity goal is to become a differentiated pure-play Bitcoin accumulation platform, according to a press release published by the company. Bitcoin jumped above 112,000 on the news and has been hovering around the threshold all day. American Bitcoin is a subsidiary of the Hut 8 Corporation, Miami, Florida-based Bitcoin mining company that's extensive Canadian operations. Hut 8 recently announced its second quarter earnings and revealed a net income of $137.5 million and a strategic Bitcoin reserve of 10,600. Currently worth about the $1.2 billion. And now the Eric Trump added to the mix. There we go. I did it again. guess. I give up, guys. I give up. I mean, might as well do a drinking game because I'm just going to say it all night. Oh, jeez. Okay, added to the mix, of course, the T family, co-founder and the chief strategic officer of American Bitcoin Mining, and his older brother, Donald T. Jr., as a shareholder of the firm, aims to have a singular focus on Bitcoin accumulation and maximizing Bitcoin per share to stockholders after today's NASDAQ debut. Today, American Bitcoin becomes a premier public vehicle for investors seeking scalable, singular exposure to defining the asset class of our time. Eric Trump, damn it. I give up, guys. I just give up. I'm never going to be able to read an entire article without saying it like 8 times. His brother, Donald Trump Jr., chimed in. ABDC shares were trading at around $8 at the time of reporting. And this is not the first thing offering they had this week. They also had their World Liberty Financial coin debut on Monday. If we covered that, it was a giant rug pull for anyone getting in on that on day one, as 25% of the tokens were launched. 20% of those 25% were already investors' tokens. So they dumped on you. They took their profits and they're buying back in. And speaking of which, World Liberty Financial token, let's see where it is today. Probably like 20 cents. 21.8. Holy shnikes. Came down to 21 flat and bounced. Close to my target. I was calling for like a 20-cent psychological. It's got to find its bearings and settle somewhere. Like, it's still pretty early. This coin's only a few days old. But still, it is the most recent rug pull we've seen. It launched at $1 and liquidated the fuck out of the entire market. Down basically 95% from the top. Insane. 80%? Yeah, about 80%. Okay, so that's what's going on with, the T family. There. I didn't say it. I already said it like 12 times. Okay, so anyway, yes, what else do we have here? Anything else? Big takeaways here. The total Bitcoin futures open interest on the day decreased nominally to almost 0.5% according to CoinGlass, coming in at 81.13 billion. Bitcoin liquidations were also lower over 24 hours, totaling at 37.9 million. Short liquidations dominated that total figure, 32.5 million, and the remaining 5.3 million was made up of longs. Boom, shaka laka. And I just showed you guys the amount on exchanges at the lowest ever today, the lowest ever, regardless of price action. All right, okay. Again, it's nuts. It's a total paradox where we're living in today, guys. All this crazy news, positive news, and the gold rush has not started yet. U.S. Bank resumes Bitcoin custody services, adds support for ETFs. Interesting. I still have other things pulled up I want to get into before we go into that. So Bitcoin traders warn of a 12% monthly drop as Solana leads major gains this week. Traders say the combination of macro uncertainty, fragile sentiment. Thinking about macro uncertainty. Can I get a total list? Because oh my god, guys, I keep outlining this, and I have to go back and think about it every single time. Okay, I'm gonna put a note. I'm gonna make a notepad real quick. Oh my god. Let's see. See if I can bring up a notepad. Yeah, let's keep track of all of them this week, guys. All of them. So what are uncertain that we have? Number one, Lisa Cook, right? Lisa Cook. So a Fed chair seat, right? We also have. Can I make this bigger? Really? Okay. We also have Friday jobs reports, right? Jeez, this is gonna be hard to outline. Job reports. Oh man, we also have the budget, a shutdown, fear of a government shutdown. Oh my god. There's no shortage of doom and FUD in the market right now. Fear of government shutdown with the budget. What else? There's so many narratives. We have we had the job reports on Friday with the Fed rate cut, right? Fed rate cut next week. Still 2 weeks from now, I think. Yeah, it's still 2 weeks from now. It's not next week. It's the following week. That'll be on the 19th, I believe. Let me check the calendar if it wants to work tonight. Oh my god. Nope. I can't get my freaking calendar to work. Alright. You're going to make me go on here. When is the next Fed rate cut? Okay, guys, also, too, while I'm throwing all this together, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Don't do all the things. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs. I need to shill harder, according to Jake the Snake. Make the king happy. The king of Ohio demands it. Long live the king. He's not a lizard. He's a snake. Oh, my God.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat. Thank you, Ramona. Hit the like, people, and share the stream. Thank you, Ramona, for the a beautiful endorsement. Crypto Mom is in the house, guys. Everyone, beware. Oh God, you guys are throwing aliens up in the chat. Oh, you're gonna give me PTSD. Okay, what else we got here? The next Fed rate cut is widely expected on the September 2025. Meeting is 16th to the 17th. While the federal market's showing probability, yada yada yada. I thought it was the 19th. Why is my freaking calendar not working? Oh my God. Wednesdays of this month. God. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Give me a calendar. Screw it. Give me a calendar. Okay. The 19th, the 18th, the Wednesday, the 17th. Okay, it's the 17th. Fed rate cut on the 17th. Possible rate cut the 17th. What else are we looking at? If this isn't enough. Oh yeah. Don't forget Mr. T, right? Can't say them. Coming in with a $10 super chat. We've got Chris. Thank you, my man. Boom.
Give me money. Money now. Me, money needing a lot now.
Looks like a cheerleader jumping up and down. What is going on? What is going on there? Thanks again, man, for supporting the Chaos family. I appreciate it, my man. Let me know in the chat, guys. If anyone doesn't have a wrench, we're handing out wrenches like crazy. No one else is doing this, I don't think. This is total chaos here. We're gonna have like 1,000 freaking wrenches before we hit 1,000 subs. That's the goal, man. 1,000 wrenches for the Crypto Chaos crew. So yeah, we're looking at the other narrative, right? The other narrative we're waiting for to play out is Trump x Putin, right? Peace talks, and I think that he's already made that very clear on the last 24 hours, 48 hours, 17 hours, something like that. No, 36 hours, whatever. The last 36 hours, he's basically raised a middle finger, I guess, to President Xi and Putin and Kim Jong-un as they all met together over the last few days with Modi as well. Yes, pretty much all the BRICS nations coming together, celebrating, peace over World War II. And without Trump, he wasn't even invited. I wonder why. Peace. Yeah, peace talks. All right, what else we got, guys? What else we have? What other narratives? Let me know in the chat. I gotta catch up with you guys. But before I do, let's go here. Notepad One Otaku, 1,000 subs to kick off all coin season. That's another one of their narratives, guys. When 1,000 subs. Oh my God, Gamma, you guys are a riot. 100 subs? 1,000 subs? Guys, we're only 40 away from 900. We're so close to 900. I can taste it. All right. Let's see what else we got in the chat. I gotta scroll up and catch up with you guys. Yes, Quint got modded. I gotcha. Algorithm ban me, says Jake. Oh no. American Bitcoins question mark, says Cliff. Yeah, that's kind of make me say it. That's Eric's involvement with his family and his company. All right. Just call them pump or dump family. Ooh, that's the. I mean, it depends on the day whether they're pump or dump family, right? Yes, 100%. I understand what you're saying. When we pump in, it's Donald Pump, and when we dump in, it's Donald Dump. There you go. I guess so. I think it's still gonna roll that into TRUMP. Yes, algorithm ban me, says Jake the Snake. All the charts look cooked Otaku, but I bet Lisa doesn't cook. Oh my God, my man. That was an insane burn, yes. And everyone's go-to is Lisa Cook is cooked. But I do like that. I bet Lisa doesn't cook. Oh my God. That's funny. Yes. Oh God. Oh, that's right. That's why you threw up those aliens, right? Yeah. That's in November, though. That narrative's way out there. If you want to go into next month's narratives, yeah. Invasion. November. According to Harvard students. Oh my God, that's so crazy. Crazy! All right, let's get back in the rest of the chat, guys. Notepad Genius, when active, 120 days or 12 months. Genius, like the 100. Yeah, it was 120 days or 18 months. Yeah. So either way, yeah, the Genius Act will not become really in full effect until next year. What was it? The 120 days from the beginning of August. I guess it technically could go into effect in November, but I think it's not really going to be truly in active. I mean, 18 months, right? 18 months is still well into next year, like basically next summer. So, yeah, I'm right there with you, man. I'm right there with you. Notepad Clarity Act, yeah. Clarity Act, 100%. Clarity Act is also in November as well. Cynthia Lummis is trying to get that passed. But these are more bullish, not so much fear, but more like buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. Yeah, so those are more rumor, newsworthy type stuff, bullish, news narratives. But yeah, Cynthia Lummis, Clarity Act. That would be before Thanksgiving. Yep, before Thanksgiving. I'd love to see that on Polymarket Bet. I'm surprised they don't have one. They have to. They have to. It's a crypto economy. Crypto betting site. Let's see. Let's take a look at Polymarket and see if they have a bet on when the Clarity Act is going to pass. Let me just search real quick. There's a bet for every. There's a betting market for everyone over at Polymarket. Oh my God! I cannot. Can I not? Okay. Weird. Clarity Act getting signed into law. There we go. It's a 39% chance that it will. That's the only bet we have on it. But yeah, there is little less than a coin flip, guys. Yikes. It was higher last week. It was 50%. It was a coin flip last week. Yeah, but not anymore. So, 40% chance that's going to happen on Polymarket today. What other narratives are we looking at? I can't name them all, guys. There's so many. There's too many. What has happened already? Oh, yeah. Bitcoin strategic reserve. That's not happening until Clarity Act is passed, though. When it comes to accumulation of more Bitcoin for the United States. Can I not really? Oh my gosh, really? You're gonna do me like that? Okay. All right, whatever. Okay. So yeah, those are all the narratives we currently are looking at, and we're facing these right here. Definitely are this month. This month. These are all going to happen this month. Oh yeah. I forgot. There's also October. October we have President Xi meeting with Trump. Damn it! I did it!
Stupid!
I'm over it, guys. I'm over it. I'm never going to be able to go an entire stream without saying his name. We're just going to be perma-banned. We're going to be black banned, whatever, forever. Okay, meeting with Trump. Yeah, damn, whatever. Oh my God. I tried, guys. I'm so used to saying it. It literally, he literally drives our market every day. It's impossible to go without saying it. All right. Let's see what else we have in the chat real quick. Yes. Notepad 1,000 subs to kick off altcoin season. Yes. It is on there. Thanks again, guys, for supporting the channel. Okay, yes, it's only natural gamma. You can't fight nature. Yes, Wrecked Wench Wednesday. Yes, Wrecked Wednesday, guys. Let's go. And let me know if anyone's in the chat without a wrench. We will send a wrench your way. Lisa don't cook, she don't clean. But let me tell you how she got this chair. Oh, my God. You guys are stupid, man.
What are you, stupid?
I forget what it was you guys were saying yesterday. I couldn't stop laughing and cracking me up. I feel like I know all you guys on a personal level now. I feel like you guys are family. It's weird. It's really weird, especially being locked in a basement for this long. I mean, it's unethical, but you know what? I feel the love. I feel the love. Oh, God, I love you guys. All right, Notepad World Peace. U.S. bye-bye, Fed within crypto guardrails, 21 to 21st of October. I'm not sure. That's crazy, Cliff. That's crazy. Okay, Ben Lawrence says, hey, guys, how are you? How's it going? Ben is in the chat. Guys, all welcome, Ben. How you doing, Ben? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Who let Ben out of the secret basement within the basement? There's a secret basement within the basement? Why don't you guys tell me about that? I just got the lights on in the basement. What the hell? I just got the lights back on. I didn't know there was a secret basement within the basement. That's insane. Yes. Crypto Jared says, looks like I need a wrench from the master of wrenches. Yes. Jared doesn't have a wrench. Jared, you're like one of the OGs on here. Are you kidding me? Holy crap. Get this man a wrench. Get this man a wrench. Oh, jeez. Yes, the crooked path, yes, a seat is much more than primary residence. Okay, yes, it is. And I bestow upon thee a wrench to the Crypto Jared. Thank you again for supporting the live stream. No more wrenches after we hit 1,000, guys. Scrub said, I think we have plenty of wrenches in the chat. Where's the golden wrench? Where is the golden wrench? I think only one person knows what the golden wrench is. Yes, Jake the Snake, Otaku, we like keeping you in the dark. Yeah, apparently. I did start getting the lights on, though, so I can at least see where my cans of soup are. Anyway, oh, you guys are nuts. I don't know what to do with you guys anymore. Oh, my God. All right, my camera's all messed up. All right, I can feel the power already, says Crypto Jared. Yes. Oh, he's drunk with power now. Oh no. Oh man. Well, I don't know if you can ban a wrench, but you can try. I might be the only one who can ban a wrench, or maybe Jake. I don't know. Jake is also the keeper of wrenches, the king of Ohio, keeper of wrenches. I have girls over and everything, says Ben. Oh my God! What? In the secret basement? You gotta let me in. You gotta let me in. I've been playing around with all these anime dolls and shit. Why are you letting the real girls down here? Jesus Christ! Ah! Oh my God! Up, girls! Oh my gosh! Ben, blow up the girl! Oh my God! I can feel the power. Yes, yes, you can. I'm not sure about the girls in the sub basement. Says Ramona. I think we're just losing our minds, Ramona. I don't know. I don't even think there's a basement in the basement. I think you guys are lying to me. Ben Lawrence says, as an apartment mother, I leave my own door. You have your own door? What? I'm at this point, I'm just in a psych ward. I'm just bouncing off the walls. This isn't even real, guys. I'm dreaming. Why does the golem get a wrench? Oh God. You talking about yourself, Scrub? Why does the golem get a wrench? Oh, jeez. Why? He's precious. Wrench. Jeez. You can dodge a wrench. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge the entire altcoin season. Oh, God. We sent your golden wrench, Quint. We sent your golden wrench. It got lost in the mail because you keep changing your name. Yeah, that's right. No one can keep track of you. I didn't know that I was already subscribed to your YouTube channel. I didn't even know what name it was. I was already subscribed to it because you keep changing your name. No one's going to be able to find you if you keep changing your name. Take Jake's advice. Take Jake's advice. You got to definitely commit, my man. Commit. Lawrence says, we are in the dark side of the moon phase of the cycle. Says Lawrence. Ben Lawrence says, nasty wrenches, tricksy tools. Jesus. Oh, God, guys. All right. Well, so those are the narratives we're currently facing this week. This week alone. Let me know if I'm missing any. I feel like I'm still missing one. I got to go back and watch my stream earlier or something. I feel like I'm still missing one. And my computer behind me keeps crashing. Oh, God. All right, guys, let's see what's going on with the rest of the news today. What else can we find that's a little bit more juicy? I wanted to wait for some more breaking news tonight. Foreign markets are already open. Oh, no. $5 super chat coming in hot from Ramona. Oh, no. Crypto Mom says, this is the otaku rules over the cuckoo's nest. Oh, yeah. Yes, it is. Oh, no. I feel like I'm watching that baseball game. If you guys ever seen that movie? They're literally watching the TV with nothing on it, and they're like, "Oh yeah, this is the baseball game. He should throw to the left, and he's throwing it," and everyone's super excited. If I get a lobotomy, that's definitely gonna be me. I'm an adult mother. I buy my own juice and stay up as late as I want, says Ben. Oh my gosh, you guys keep blowing up the chat. I can't keep up. All right. U.S. Bank resumes Bitcoin custody services and adds support for ETFs. We can take a look at that there. I'm curious as to which one it is. Ooh, U.S. Bank. Literally U.S. Bank. Okay, it's U.S. Bank. Said it restarted cryptocurrency custody offerings to institutional investment managers, broadening the service to include Bitcoin at 111,764 at the time of writing. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and the program will first rolled out in 2021, but put on hold in 2022, right around FTX's collapse. Is available on early access basis through a U.S. Bank Global Fund Services Division. The bank said Wednesday the custody operations will be supporting the New York DIG, which is acting as the bank's sub-custodian for Bitcoin. Stephen Phillipson, Vice Chair of the U.S. Bank Wealth, Corporate, Commercial, and Institutional Banking, said the move was prompted by renewed regulatory clarity. Of course. We're proud that we were one of the first banks to offer cryptocurrency custody for the fund and institutional custody clients back in 2021, and we're excited to resume the service this year, he said in the release. So let's go, guys. This is bullish. Let's go.
Get tired of winning.
What else we got here? CEO Tajaz Shah framed the partnership as a way to bring institutional grade safeguards back to Bitcoin access. Together we can bridge the gap between traditional finance and modern economy. Maybe why we're seeing some of the lower amounts of Bitcoin on exchanges, guys. This over-the-counter is drying up. They just moved like 80,000. They got that from an old OG Bitcoiner. Galaxy Digital did, and of course they're one of the largest over-the-counter custody custodial services, and they're running out, man. They're running out. U.S. Bank had over 11.7 trillion in assets during custody and the administration on June 30th. The service operations span ETFs, fund custody, fund administration, corporate trust, and wealth management over at U.S. Bank. Bitcoin coming again soon. All right, what else we got? Clarity Act defined mature blockchains. Here's what it missed. If you guys actually paid attention or were here when we talked about it, what was this? This was like a month ago or 2 months ago. The United States came out with that list of crypto assets, and we went over the mature list. I don't know if you guys remember that, but even Doge was on it, and Doge was more mature than XRP according to that list. This one is going to basically outline what mature blockchains mean and what it missed, according to CoinDesk. Decentralization is not enough to determine whether blockchain is truly mature, argues the Algorand's chief strategy officer Mark Valdenberg. As the digital asset industry evolves, okay, I'm going to pause that. While the industry evolves, so does the language we use to describe it. A promising new term, mature blockchain, has entered regulatory discourse via the Clarity Act, a bipartisan legislative proposal aimed at providing much-needed regulatory certainty around digital assets in the United States, among other things. It defines mature blockchain as one that is sufficiently decentralized and not reliant on any single person or entity to operate. Hence why they did not give a pretty clear definition of that to XRP. This makes decentralization a critical legal distinction, and also determines whether whether an asset given network should be treated as a security. However, fitting the definition, decentralization doesn't mean a blockchain is ready for global scale or real-world adoption. To bring blockchain technology into mainstream real-world use, maturity must be made, and then just decentralization. It also must mean that operational readiness, i.e., the ability to of a network to deliver performance, reliability, and scalability under these conditions. Decentralization is a must remain a foundational pillar of the blockchain, and it ensures resilience, neutrality, censorship, and resistance. All right, so let's see if it actually brings up. It does not bring up the old rollings on that. I wonder if they even changed those. But those are, of course, the outlining factors as what defines a mature asset in our space, according to the United States Security and Exchange Commission, and the David Sachs, the crypto and AI czar. Yeah, weird name. God. Okay, yes. You're at the USA crypto maturity list. Let's see if I can dig it up and show you guys again. It's been a month or two since we looked at it. Oh my God. Coins. Give me the coins. Give me the coins. Come on, AI. Help me out, man. God, here we go. XRP, after a long legal battle. No. This is not it. Solana. Oh, God. Give me an article. Top 7 currencies to gain from the U.S. Clarity Act. That might have the list there with the maturity rating. Oh, my God. Are we not really going to find this list? Maturity rating. This should do it. There's no single cryptocurrency. Yes, there is. We read it. We read it. US-based crypto coins and tokens in August. Really? I gotta dig this up from 2 months ago? We lived through it. I hate to go back and find the clip. It would take me like a week. The top 20 currencies by market cap, real-time rate. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put that on my list to find later because I really want to find it. It's gonna bug me. But I do remember. I think Cardano, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin were the highest-ranking mature assets in the White House list. But yeah, I gotta find that. I gotta find it. All right, guys. Let's see. I want to talk about meme core. We've been talking about this a little bit more recently. They are reporting altcoin season. Athena rises on. Do you guys feel our altcoin season right now? Let me know in the chat. I don't feel it, man. This is an altcoin season for ants. Athena rises on 50 million weekly revenue. Meme core and OKB climb. This one just came out today, 7 hours ago. Altcoin season often shows its character through the tokens. They capture liquidity and trading screens in the given week. Today, 3 names stand out. Of course, we already mentioned them: Meme Core, OKB, and Athena. Meme Core community token moves past $1. Meme Core is nearing $1.02, giving a market capitalization of about $1 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. Circulating supply saves above $1 billion tokens, with a daily turnover of $200 million. The price has climbed more than 140% over the past week, and is once approaching the August peak of $1.06. All right, so Meme Core is exploding. OKB exchange utility and scarcity. OKB is priced around $178.09. The market capitalization is roughly 3.7 billion. Circulating in a maximum supply of a fixed 21 million tokens. Very interesting. Which sets it apart from many of the other exchange-linked assets. The token has risen roughly 6% in the past day. That's interesting. OKB's demand is tied to the OKX trading platform, where holders receive fee discounts, saving opportunities, and everything else for their exchange. Athena, I did not know they had really 21 million. They're gonna have to do something with that token because it's an exchange. You can't only have 21 million of that single token. Synthetic dollar adoption lifts tokens on Athena. Athena is trading near 73 cents with a market capitalization of around 4.8 billion. A circulating supply of around 6.6 billion tokens. A daily turnover close to 700 million for Athena. Your token is connected to USDE synthetic dollar. That's why we've also been seeing that move along with it. And market cap, right? That expands to the derivatives-based hedging rather than reserves. Recently, growth in USD supply has been accompanied by the protocol revenues exceeding 50 million in a single week. All right, so the altcoin season outlook, according to cryptonews.com, altcoin season rarely follows one pattern. Today, Meme Core illustrates the reach of meme culture, and OKB shows the pull of exchange ecosystems, and Athena shows the link between stablecoin adoption and token value. Each one has different paths and trading activity, and together they show how the altcoin season can be built from diverse sources of participation. How about that timing, though? Oh my god, this is completely random timing. All right. Let's get back into the chat real quick before we go any further. Oh, I gotta catch up, guys. I see you guys blowing up over there. I cannot catch up. There's a wave entering again, guys. Neb slips on in or out with the wave. Oh boy, here we go, guys. Beat badum dum. Jesus, Ben. Where's Slippery Nebs? Where is Nebs? He's working. But dum. You know what he's up to. Gamma says Ben grew one hair on his chest and now he thinks he's grown. No snacks, Ben. No snacks for you. Oh God, can we at least have some high C, Gamma? On what corner? What corner is what corner is the Nebs? Oh, there's the wave of lube again, guys. Watch out! Oh, no, tidal wave incoming. Oh jeez. Oh my god, guys. I just got another idea for the stream. You guys, I keep blowing up the stream with those waves. I'm gonna have to have a segment just for the waves now. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. We're gonna do like a tidal wave or something every time someone mentions freaking Nebs. Alright. All right. What else are we looking at? That's terrifying. I think he's working from the porch. Oh God, that's absolutely terrifying. 100% Ramona. He was talking with the gas fee goons yesterday. Gas fee goons. Damn. Gamma, you got to shut that down. Maybe Ben should rent him. No more people coming down the basement. That's my territory. And I don't know about this basement within a basement. Is there like a secret path to the basement? I don't know about. I don't know what's going on anymore. This is nuts, guys. Then bringing that money to Gamma Goddess. Let him rent this. No rent my space. It's an apartment, mother. What did the therapist say about destroying my self-confidence? Oh my God. This is getting too real, guys. Too real. Ramona coming in. Dun dun dun. It's a bird. It's an anime. It's a super otaku. Oh my God, Ramona. Oh no. Yes, we're gonna burn twice the amount of money tonight. What did we burn last night? Oh yeah, it was just a $5. I guess we'll burn $10 today. Oh yes. Hey, I'm running out of money, guys. I'm gonna have to go get another loan. Yes, bum coin season. Oh my gosh, I gotta screw up, guys. I cannot catch up. This is insane. Guys. Oh yeah, Super Danny's in the house. How's it going, Super Danny? How's it going? Mother, I still haven't forgiven you for wrecking my 6th grade skating party. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. No more aliens, Jake. Stop it. You stop it. You know who else is mature? My mom. Oh, jeez. Yes. I'm just jumping around the chat, guys. I'm trying to catch up. Ben's the... I can't read that. Oh, my God, Jake. Okay. Ben Lawrence says, is it really my therapy when you guys are all in here with me? I guess it's a good point. It's a good point. We're in. It's basically more like AA, but it's a group therapy session, right? We keep you stable, says Ramona. Yeah, we keep you in check, man. Make sure that. Oh my God. No one jumps in line, man. Who has the wrench? Only you can talk. Whoever. Oh, wait. We all have wrenches. Never mind. Yeah. It's kind of that rule out the window. Okay. Oh God, you guys are nuts. You guys are crazy. You intentionally get Diet Coke to kill the taste of my 7-Up. Oh my God. I'm not sharing anything with y'all, especially my soda, says Gamma. That's a wise decision. Make me another soda side peasant. All the flavors. Demands Jake the Snake. Yes, the King of Ohio. Make me another soda side peasant. Soda side. Oh, Jesus, guys. We are going to be all drinking the Kool-Aid by the end of the year. I know we are. Okay, feels like the bottom. Steel Reserve Malt coin season. Bam! Whoa, what in the world is that? She's coming in. Cliff coming in with a $10 super chat.
Money now. Meaningful money. Meaning a lot now.
Oh, jeez. I think we're ready for the Crypto Chaos swing. When
will then?
Otaku. Next interview appointment, etc. Interview appointment. Oh yeah. I have my appointment, I believe, tomorrow. It didn't happen today, so I think it's going to happen tomorrow. Yes, moon swing, and oh yeah, don't forget the full red moon on the 8th to 9th of September. Interesting. Ooh, I do like me a red moon. That's next Tuesday, guys. Next Taco Tuesday. I can't catch up with the guys. I'm trying so hard to catch up. We just want your socks, Gamma. We just want your socks. What the hell is wrong with you, Ben?
Which one's the best crypto asset?
Oh my God!
What's the second best?
Total chaos.
There is no second best.
Now I got Sailor Mountain nonsense now. Okay.
You stupid!
Drunken Sailor. I miss Drunken Sailor. He don't do that no more. Okay. Yes. You can't have my Gamma purple socks, Ben. Oh boy, guys. We've completely went off the rails now. Give a man 860 subs and a mask, and he gets to his head. Okay, I'll give you that one. Okay. All right. A little bit. Jake the Snake says, if you tell them you're into magic healing rocks, they'll triple in price. God. Oh, no. Can I make some of my rocks real world assets and just put them on the blockchain, or NFTs? Make NFTs of them. Back to the basement, basement Ben. Why is he? I gotta share the basement now. God dang it! We want the slightly soiled socks, Gamma. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we want to throw them in some vending machines here in America. See if we can get that trend growing. Oh my God.
What, you stupid?
Yes. Crypto's XRP-ADA, some other DAG, been in testing for 8 years in the other tweet. And oh yeah, Bitcoin too. Satoshi possesses Bitcoin, so he needs to buy more? Question mark. Says, yeah, Cliff. Well, that's the thing. Satoshi has went off to do better things. Oh, not better. Different things. Yes, and of course Ramona throwing in that tidal wave. Oh my god. It's let's use the totem. They're already getting the pool warm for him. He's usually the one to warm up the pool. Oh boy, Chris coming in with another $10 super chat. My man, damn. Give me some more Gari money. Oh man.
Me money needing a lot now.
Oh Jesus, man! Oh man, Gari. Yes, we needed you in a live today. Not the same when you're not there. Also, Ramona coming with a $2 super chat as well. I can't keep up, guys. It's crazy. Tonight is insanity. Oh my God, Saksaritas? What the hell? Poor man's Gamarita? Oh God, that's so gross. Oh, that's so gross. What's up with Ben's fascination with socks? Chris, yeah, so Chris also saying that, why will Gary pump late? How's it looking in the chart-wise? Gary is boring lately. It doesn't seem to pump in the market. Yes, actually, I went over to Gary this morning as well, and I told the chat my story about Gary, about how I've known about the project for like the last 2 or 3 years, because it pops up with a lot of the bots on YouTube, at least it used to. I've had a lot of people ask me about it on the live stream, and I went over the tokenomics of it and everything else. And honestly, it's I don't want to say it's a solid project, but the tokenomics are pretty good. And the coin itself, if it can get to $1 billion in market cap, which I was drunk that night when I did those original numbers. Okay, I gotta probably do them again, but I did them based on like an American company or an American blockchain, right? And so this is an Indian blockchain, so things in India move with less dollars, right? Dollar amounts. And so I'm not quite sure if it can get to $1 billion in market cap this cycle. I don't know. But I can do a whole deep dive on it if you want. Let me know in the chat if you guys are up for that. I don't want to derail the whole chat though. But we can take a look at the chart for you for sure, at the least. Man, I can get really carried away when it comes to diving into coin tokenomics and market caps. Let's take a look at what's going on with Gari. Did I take it off? Oh, I think I did take it down for World Liberty Financial on Monday. I think I did. Let's drop Honey out real quick. Let's throw Gari back in there. I gotta find a chart that's not beat to hell though. Let's see. Trading View. There we go. Trading View is okay. This is not the chart I was working on before though. So it's a different chart. But yeah, it's still at the bottom. It's still at the very bottom. Again, I was drunk when I bought this. I bought it at like 2059, something like that. Now we're at 2047. Damn, guys, how the mighty have fallen.
What are you, stupid?
How the mighty. how getting drunk, yeah, makes you make poor decisions. But anyway, it's not a bad investment overall. Chart is very cooked though. It's very cooked. It's a little lower than the previous low we had back in August. This broke out recently too, so don't forget it also broke out in August as well. So we could still come back down and come back to some lower levels. I don't know if we're going to go back to 204. I hope not. Well, we're basically there already. Yeah, that might be it. That might be the line in the sand. 204 right there. Right, so that's what I'd be looking at. And again, we're going to be trading somewhere between where we are right now. We have a new cycle or a new low. I wouldn't say it's psychological. Maybe if you want to call that 2045, maybe put that line in the sand there for maybe a new potential low, a lower low than where we are right now. 206, we got to break out of there. So that puts us basically in a channel between here and 206. We got to get above. And the short term, oh God, the short term, that's nothing. That's 2055, 2051, 2051. Maybe a little higher, maybe like 2055, right? No, psychological. There's a lot of resistance here. We really got to break through there first. So this is what we're looking at. This is what we're dealing with right now. A new potential low somewhere down here. Current low right now is 2046. And yeah, we're going to be bopping around here until we can at least get a breakout and to the upside. That's what we're looking for. Is I don't think this is looking very bullish right now. As of right now, it's actually looking like it wants to print a head and shoulder. Of course, that's a bearish downside, a pattern, right? The traditional pattern. But yeah, it's not looking too great. Even if we zoom in, this is the 1 hour. Let's zoom into the 15-minute. It's looking a little bit. Nah, it's still. Yes, no, this is base. Yeah, this is bearish at the current moment. So we have maybe a little bit lower to go, maybe. But still listing at the lows right here. I don't know. I'm not throwing any more money at it. I bought 100,000 tokens. I'm just gonna ride it. I was drunk. I'm gonna eat it. I don't care. But thanks again anyway for supporting the channel, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks again, Chris. Yeah, for supporting the chaos. We will burn your $10 tonight. I am sure. Yes. That's all I got left. I got $10 to burn tonight. All right. Let's see what else we got here. I can't catch up with the chat anymore, guys. Sock Alley. Yeah, we're gonna right up Ben's Sock Alley. Oh my God. What is his fascination? I don't understand it. Have you read these sickos? Oh my God, I'm trying not to, actually. I'm actually trying to skip a little bit because I can't catch up. $2 sake. Oh no. Sako? That's a wrestling reference. Boba Network is better than Gari as far as fundamentals and tokenomics. Boba Network, interesting. Shark Coin beats Gari in real world assets. What the hell? Sake is in socks. Oh God, that's gross. Oh my God, Ramona. Yeah, he just lurched my stomach a little bit there, throwing sake in a sock. Oh God, especially like a used gym sock. Oh yeah, Ramona, 100%. Jake, that's gross. That's the restaurant's name. Oh geez. Jake and Snake's got mommy. What? Oh God. Someone was saying Gary had a lot of representatives in the Peter Patterson live today. Not sure what that representatives, social media, other like partnering sites or something, or companies. The scariest thoughts is when I will actually have a lot of money soon. Says Ramona, would you trust us with money? Well, we're gonna see the flipping, guys. We're gonna go from just standard citizens to some fuck you money. So yeah, it's going to be the flipping of asset classes into crypto for sure. Okay, Jacob 6 says, I didn't notice any shilling Gari too hard, but in general, I see and hear it once a day. Yes, and the bots, I haven't seen the bots come on my channel for, I would say 6 months. I think it's been at least 6 months that the bots have been on my channel posting Gari, this and that. So they've definitely come down. I think they're doing that maybe to just kind of get the idea in people's heads. And now that they've got the ball kind of rolling, especially with that last breakout in August, I think they just kind of stopped altogether with the bots. I mean, it does look bad. It does look bad, and India's kind of known for it, really. We don't, do rubber, and that is just twisted. Oh, Jesus, nylon wool, and what are you into? Oh my God, cotton. Oh my God, Ben, what is going on with the OnlyFans stuff, man? Anyway, yes, the Federal Reserve will host a conference on payments innovation. That's right. The 21st of October. Yes, that's right. 100%. I actually shared that on the Twitter. Let's pull that up real quick. We're jumping around tonight. Just having a good old time. Right here. Federal Reserve announced that they will host a conference of payments innovation on Tuesday, October 21st. So, 100%. Cliff is right. We need to put that on the notepad. Where the hell's my notepad? Where did my notepad go? Oh no. Did I close it? Oh my God. Did I really close that freaking notepad? No, I didn't. Okay, here it is. I'm freaking out, man. I'm freaking out. Okay, so yeah, we're going to add that on there. That is in October. So that's extended, coming down here in October. All right, payments innovation in October. Okay, so that's going to be about stable coins. Was it DeFi lending? I have another one about that too. Where is it? I shared it earlier too. I will discuss tokenization and AI. Stablecoins, tokenization, and AI. Stablecoins. Come on. I'm clicking on the wrong screen. There we go. Stablecoins, tokenization, and AI. It's going to be an interesting one for sure. It's not the first time the Feds talk about it, especially with the WEF, the World Economic Forum. That was when did we cover that, guys? It was like 3 months ago, I think. Was it back in June? I forget. All right, let's get back into it, guys. We gotta go back into the news too. I've been hanging out in the chat too long. Oh no! All right, we scared away a lot of people. All right. What else can we dig up tonight? Astrology could make you a better crypto trader. Yes, it has been foretold. I love this. Why? Because I have been looking at the moon cycles and keeping track of them with Bitcoin's movements. This year has not really been very accurate. Let's just say that when it comes to full moons. Yield. Let's get back into that real quick. Can you track the movement of crypto celestial bodies? Would it make you a better crypto trader? The answer may just be a yes in some cases. While many crypto traders are busy themselves with wacky Fibonacci charts, Bollinger Bands, and growing cohort of traders who are in prices to be predicted by crypto astrology, psychic services, which include astrology and divinations, have been a $2.2 billion business in the U.S. alone. And some forecasts estimate that astrology could be a $22.8 billion industry in 2031. Damn, guys. Meanwhile, a recent Pew Researcher Center study surveyed 9,593 Americans found that in 2024, about 28% of people said they consulted astrology at least once a year. Social media is also chock full of stock and crypto traders who claim to use their high self to win in the stock market. That being said, astrology has its critics. A professional crypto trader today, Craig Robb. Oh, God, look at this chart. Let me swap to them at a different screen real quick. There we go. Look at this chart. This is ridiculous. 5% of Americans consult astrology on a weekly basis. Wow. 16%, 26%, not at least once or twice a year. Once or twice a month, 7%. Okay, so about 28% on average do it at least once a year or twice. 71% do it never do it. Don't pay attention to it at all. Consult tarot cards. Speaking of tarot cards, guys, I found these when I was cleaning. Remember these? I ordered these before I moved, and I just found them. Shit. Ramona. Ramona found those one night we were drunk, having a good time. Or I was the only one probably drunk. Because it doesn't take much to get me drunk. And we were talking about it over the open live, and I'm like, oh man, that'd be so cool if they had some tarot cards. And Ramona found them. Ramona found these on Etsy, and I bought them. And I still haven't opened them. I'm not the greatest with tarot, so I'm still kind of, I gotta prepare myself for that. But at some point, I would love to do it for you guys on the stream. It would be so much fun. Oh my God. So yeah, I do love all of this we are talking about right now. All right. We're going to be a crypto gypsy. Oh God, we're going to have the crypto gypsy nights or something. It'll be fun. All right. For me, I gotta get a turban. Our turban? A turban. Yes, it reminds me. Speaking of which, guys, I hate to derail everything literally on astrology and fortune telling. Remember Zoltar?
Be sharing with you your fortune.
Oh my God. So that was a fun thing that came out at the beginning of the year. I would never ever trade based on astrology for moon phases. Talking to someone they interviewed on this. So I guess since markets were around, everyone's been trying to find a way to profit from them. Whether they use astrology or technical analysis, fundamental analysis, says Cobb, whose career depends on using technical analysis to make his calls. But others swear it works. It just works. We all have our little tips and tricks, right? Mine, for example, I know when we're oversold. I get that feeling. I get that tick, the scratch in the back of my neck, and I'm just like, oh, it's just going to happen. It's going to happen. Especially at the end of a month after options expire for Bitcoin. And, of course, getting back to winning when it comes to the charts anyway. You get that feeling, man. You just get that feeling, especially when you look at the charts all the time. You live in the charts. All right. but others swear it works. Could astrology and other divinations really predict crypto prices, or at least provide a framework to help make the trading calls? Astrologists certainly think so. The moon's gravitational pull does actually influence the ocean's tides, and because our body, I've been saying this all the time, it's awesome that they're referencing this, and because our bodies are full of water, and of course, we're massive water, I guess they're not going into that whole detail thing. But anyway, yes, astrology takes this idea a step further and posits that the movement of celestial bodies such as planets, moons, and stars generates energetic shifts and impacts human behavior. That's why we call ourselves lunatics, or others lunatics, when we're out of line. And since the stock market, crypto markets are made up of billions of individual people with particular wants, emotions, and desires, over the robots as well, the theory is that financial astrology can be used to predict market movements, and we're still a lot less robotic than the traditional TradFi markets. I mean, there's still a lot of bots moved into crypto since 2021, but in the grand scheme of things, we're still a lot more human than TradFi. Crypto Damas is one of the most high-profile crypto astrologists in the game, with 50,000 followers on X. Ooh, I might have to check this guy out. Crypto Damas. Let's actually give him a little shout out. Not that I'm gonna do anything. I'm still trying to get to 1,000. He's got 50. Reminding me, of course, to shill harder, guys. The King of Ohio. If I get the light on, come on. I demand you to turn on. There we go. The King of Ohio demands it. I need to shill harder, please. Long live the King of Ohio, Jake the Snake. We got to get to 1,000 subs, guys. Let's go. Hit the like and sub. Does not cost a single thing to do so. Oh my God, you guys are blowing up the shot. I can't. You never catch up. Oh no. All right. So yeah, Crypto Damas. Let's take a look at him over on X. I'm going to sub to him just because I want to. Crypto Damas. I get it. Like Nostradamus. Yes. Financial astrology and a technical analyst for Bitcoin. To see the whole picture. Subscription reports with depth analysis. Some of his recent posts have been, as of 8 hours ago, Volume 7, Issue 9, September 2025, Bitcoin Astrology Crypto Report, with special sections on the September eclipses, the astrology of November top versus January 2026 top, and Michael Saylor's astrology factors. The usual coverage of Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, and XRP in his latest issue over on X. This is crazy that this is a real thing, guys. Crazy. Oh, wow. It is a lengthy thing, too. So yeah, trading is not for the faint of heart. This is sharing someone else's post on X. Okay, so this is a real thing, guys. It's crazy. But yeah, I liked and subscribed. Okay, moving on from astrology. We got to catch up with the rest of the news. Let's reload and see if anything else is breaking. Financial experts, Bitcoin could exceed 200,000 under one key condition. It's kind of crazy now. Going into this year thinking we were going to hit 250,000, like no brainer. Easy win, granny shot. And here we are, struggling at 110. Right at the end of the beginning of September. What in the hell? Who would have thunk? Yeah, under one key condition. I guess we can dive into that real quick. I don't want to spend too much time on it. We got to get into the other segments, and it's already 9:20. Holy crap, guys. We're so back, as Otaku-san says. Jake the Snake. Oh, whoa. $2 super chat coming in. Jake the Snake, thank you, my man. What are we so back on? God, what are we so back on? Bitcoin hasn't hit 112 again. What are we back on? That's all short-term stuff too. It might be double bottoming right now, though, slightly higher too. There's a little bit of bullishness here, a little bit, not much, but we're still in a bullish trend. Yeah, I'm not sure what you guys are referring to right now. I gotta get back in the chat, maybe. Chris coming with a $10 super chat, my man. Damn. I might have to burn a 50 tonight. I don't know. Holy crap, guys. Oh man, thanks again, guys, for supporting the channel. Chris comes out saying, let's check the viability of swapping Gari into Boba. Don't lie, it takes a lot to get you drunk. I wish that were true, my man, but I'm the lightest of lightweights. There's many eyewitnesses on here that could probably attest to that. Yeah, Boba. So I would have to know more about Boba. You guys did mention it, that it is a a competitor to Gari, so I'm assuming it's another social platform in Web3 play. Let's take a look at Boba real quick for you and see. Just I need to familiarize myself with it because I don't know what it is. All right, CoinMarketCap on Boba Network, 9 cents right now. There's 500 million total supply. Circulating supply is still less than half at 171,000 million Boba. I don't like this name, man. Like Boba Tea? Like Boba Fett? What kind of Boba are we talking about? All right, so yeah, Boba, 9 cent. Let's take a look about this project. Market cap right now is 16 million. What is Gari, like 3 million? 10 million? I don't remember where Gari's at. If you want to compare the two right now, I just want to kind of do a quick comparison. Swing trade would have to, I mean, you have to have things actually move to swing, right? All right, let's see, Gari. Gari already had its move. So maybe those who made money and got out already could swing into Boba. I don't know where Boba is right now in terms of charts. So right now we got about 3 million market cap. Yeah, I thought it was about 3 million, so it's lower than that now. It's 2.6 million. Circulating supply, about half, a little more than half from total supply. This is an older coin too. I don't know how old Boba is, but this cycle, this one came out last cycle, I believe, 2021, 2022. All right, so that's Gari, right? Versus Boba. Boba is 16 million. Yeah, 16 million. So a lot more in market cap. This coin also came out, and it looks like in January 2022 as well. So both these coins came out about the same time. Market cap, though, I'm interested to see. The market cap really hasn't affected the price. That's interesting. So I mean, that tells me that the token supply hasn't really altered much since launch. A little bit at the very beginning, but it's pretty much, yeah. It's pretty much, damn, it had 97 million at one point? That's insane. $500 million at launch. Token launch, of course, fell pretty quick, like most coins. At the peak of last cycle, no, this is beginning of the year. This is back in March. This is right before the right around the DeepSeek tariff collapsing markets. That's crazy. Oh, this is no. This is March of 2024. I have no idea what happened in 24, but damn, that's crazy. So yeah, the price has not come back since, and total market cap hasn't either. Market cap in recent years, 36 million. No, 190 million. That's the volume in that day. 36 million, damn. 190 million total. Yeah, so it's a safe bet. Safer bet, not safe bet. He's probably going to go there again. Let's see more about what's going on with Boba. Boba Network is an optimistic based multi-chain layer 2 scaling solution that aims to unlock the potential roll-up technology and enable more flexible blockchain communication. The protocol is fully compatible with EVM basic tools and already deployed multi-chain support for Avalanche, BNB, Moonbeam, and Phantom, supporting lightning fast transactions and fees anywhere between 40 to 100x less than the respective layer 1. Boba Network is powered by hybrid compute technology that brings the power of Web 2 on chain with smarter smart contracts. What? That allow developers to leverage off-chain compute and real-world data to deliver enriched experience for decentralized applications. It doesn't sound like it's the same idea, right? As I have to look at their website. Does not sound like it's a social network. Looks like it has social solutions, though. That's what they outlined in the about. Let's see Boba Network website. But it's still too early to think about swing trading now. Nothing's really popped off yet. Boba Network over at boba.network. Boba on chain, Bridge to Boba Network, developer docs, tokenomics ecosystem. It's got some gaming ties here somewhere. I don't know. I kind of. Yeah, I don't know. Building on the Boba Network. All right, but if you go to Gari, I mean, it's very clearly marketing a social experience, right? So, let's see if the Gari Network's website right here, which I've been on here a few times in the last 2 years with the guys bringing this up for me to look at. So yeah, this is Gari's website, and again. Streams, social network, streams, hey, I want to be like TikTok, Facebook. Yeah, and I'm just not getting that same vibe from Boba, so I'd have to know a lot more. Definitely two different blockchains, narratives, in my opinion, from what I see on the surface, anyway. All right, guys, so that's what we're looking at there between Gari and Boba. In terms of token price action, though, let me go back. I mean, totally different. I mean, totally different tokenomics. I mean, this one's already more than half allocated. The other one's are about a third. Okay, so that's 4 cents on Gari. Sitting at the bottom. Where's Boba? Did I really lose it? Oh my god. Did I really? Oh my god. Okay, let me get back in there real quick. I am killing time now, damn it. I'm not going to be able to catch up the chat ever tonight. Okay, Gari, go back to Boba. How far down have we come? Okay, yeah, they're both sitting at the bottom. Yeah, both sitting at the bottom. On the year, though, oof. Gari broke out. Boba hasn't broken out yet. But there's a lot more money already in it. Yeah, I don't know. 16 million already in Boba. There's only less than 3 million in Gari. I'd still, you'd probably throw money in Gari, wait for that to pop, then maybe if we want to swing. I just don't see the swing pair, though. In my opinion, I just don't see the swing pair. Again, I'd have to know more. Let me know in the chat. Okay, yeah, still losing to Manbush, says Jake the Snake. Oh God. Flattery will get you nowhere, says Chris. Jake the Chris. God, he's taunting you now. Oh my God, jeez, Jake. You feeling some kind of way in the chat? Just reminding you guys that Chris right now is a number 1 fan on the channel right now, currently sitting at 1,500 XP, with Ramona coming with a close second at 925. Yes, and Manbush, the Bushman, Cliff at 625 at number 3. Jake the Snake. Yeah, he's running with his tail between his legs at number 4 at 250 XP. So, guys, that's why Jake is feeling some sort of way right now. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've seen Jake kind of retaliate to the chat. That's funny. You have made the King of Ohio very, very displeased. CoinMarketCap, ew, says Ben. Oh my God. CoinMarketCap isn't accurate, fully diluted. Ooh. Oh, Jesus, Ben. Otaku is fake news. Oh, my God. Just partnered with Zebek. Which project just partnered with Zebek, Jared? Yeah, I'm not sure. There's a lot above you, but I don't see anything pertaining to what you're allegedly is partnered with Zebek. Let me know in the chat. Yeah, put a sock in it, Ben. Oh my God. Any thoughts on whales selling Bitcoin on the marketplace and possibly buying back OTC, making bits of coin? Bits of coin. I mean, Cliff, any kind of whale games are definitely open. I just showed you guys about probably a half hour ago now the amount on exchanges. It's at record lows today. There are most certainly whale games happening right now, guys. Do not miss out on accumulating some Bitcoin before it's too late. Oh my God, it's insane. I got to pull that up one more time and show you guys, because apparently that didn't sink in enough. I keep showing it every day. I'm very, very clear. It's my favorite metric to look at every day. Yeah, it's all-time lows as of today. Look at this. We fell off a cliff today. A cliff. Cliff. We fell off a cliff.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace.
Do it.
Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
We will. We're burning more money than $5, I swear. All right. So yeah, it's insane, guys. It's insane. It continues. The whale games continue. I agree with you, Cliff. I agree with you. Let's go back into here. We charge that for that, Cliff. God, Ben. I like boba tea, says Strawberry Dragons. Yeah, it's okay. I just can't get past the tapioca, though. Oh, boba point. Yeah. I don't know, the texture or something. I don't know. Maybe I just haven't found one I really like. Yes, a king does not flee. He strategically retreats with his tail between his legs. He bravely ran away. Yes. Yes, the king. Jake the Snake, yes. Boba Network, yes. We are off to the bend. Off the bend. Yes, we are bend. Ben, we're off the bend. No, it's too much. You guys are ridiculous. Oh yes, yes. Just dipping her toe in Strawberry Dragons. It's okay. Be crazy. We don't judge here. We don't judge here. It's all fun and games until someone gets hurt. Oh god, guys, I love this chart. I love this chart. Every single day I look at this, it puts a smile on my face. It doesn't. I don't care if Bitcoin's at $25,000. The amount of on exchanges right now available to the average buyer is going away. It's going away. This is real. This is real life, guys. I don't need to pinch myself. This is real. I think it's not a padded cell, right? These are real things around me, right? I don't know, guys. I don't know. This is crazy. All right. Moving on. Moving on, guys. We got to move on with the show. Let's get into. How about some real news over on X? Let's take a look and do some doom scrolling over on X, guys. Of course, that's where the real news lives. If you guys like what you're seeing here tonight, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subs before the bull run. My freaking lights keep turning off. There we go. Yes, trying to get to 1,000 likes or subs before the bull run. Jake the Snake, long live the king. Demands it. All right. Oh my god. You know, for like a year now, I've been using Jake the Snake as a scapegoat on a floppy disk to try to show my channel. It's ridiculous. Oh my god. It really puts you into full perspective how crazy I am. All right. So guys, of course, if you guys like what you're seeing today, please like, subscribe, do everything on YouTube. But also check me out on YouTube, on X, if you do like the news on a different format in a similar fashion. All right, guys. So I'm going to share some stuff I shared with X, you guys over on X today with the channel. Yeah, just in, publicly traded SharpLink Gaming buys another 39,000 ETH worth 167 billion. Tom Lee says we're about to witness a huge market rally. We've got 0.21 Bitcoin coming in and say, good morning. 0.21 Bitcoin is currently valued at $23,000. Get yours before it's too late. Just a little bit of chance of showers today. It rained a little bit. Countries begin to hold more gold than USD and nations' treasuries. I shared this last night, and they blocked my photo. And I shared it with you guys again this morning because I was like, what the F? Because I had a picture on it on my phone. Because I shared it from somewhere. This is... Oh, God, that's the population growth. Where is it? Oh, my God. Here it is. Crazy metric, guys. Look at this. Foreign central banks hold more gold than treasuries. Central banks, gold versus U.S. treasuries holding as a percentage of national reserves. So right now, in 2025, it's the first time since 1996 that they're holding more gold than U.S. dollars. These are the rest of the world's, reserves. They're not going to dollars anymore. They're going to gold. And they're going to Bitcoin next. All right, so I wanted to share that one. And that's what I tried to share on... I'm having issues with X. I don't know why. They keep blocking me and like my posts and everything. It's weird. And sometimes I try to share things and it like unshares it as soon as I share. It's weird. Just in, Chairman French Hill says the Crypto Market Structure Bill and Clarity Act were overwhelming bipartisan support, and he hopes to get it done in the next few weeks. That puts us ahead of Thanksgiving. Again, the goal is to get that all knocked out before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Well, I really enjoyed working with Kirsten Gillibrand and Cynthia Lummis, both who've been real leaders. Chairman Tim Scott in the Senate has put together a working group on the digital assets framework. The Clarity Act in the House, which I wrote, got 78 Democrat votes here in the House. Back in July, we sent that to the Senate with really a suspension level vote. We got such overwhelming support by Democrats and Republicans. I would hope that the Senate would consider taking up the Clarity Act in their process and simply making improvements to it. I think that would be a great approach. But Tim Scott and his working group and the leadership of Subcommittee Chair Lummis and John Bozeman on the Ag Committee, they all have this at a top priority, and I hope we can get this done in the next few weeks.
You guys dressing up for open mic nights? What? For Halloween? You talking about for Halloween? Yep. I'm definitely going to be going as Satoshi. Oh, jeez. All right, what else we have here? Breaking the Federal Reserve has announced that they will host a conference of payments innovation on Tuesday, October 21st. We already talked about that, but yes, I shared it. Not once, but twice. Yes, and then this one was interesting. Digital Asset News shared with this week. I forget which where I found this, but I wanted to share this chart here. Again, we talked about this multiple times on the channel. Again, we do not go back to the previous all-time highs after a presidential election. And yeah, they've marked it all out here for you to see. Yeah, Obama, right there in 2012, Bitcoin never went back to $10, did it? No. Donald Trump was elected in 2016. We didn't go back to $707 yet, did we? No. How about Biden? He was elected in 2020. We were at a $14,000 Bitcoin. Did we go back to 114,000? 114? 14,000. 14,000. No. Our low was actually 16,000 in the previous cycle in the bear market. And now we're at 69,000, of course, in the last bull run in 2021. Right now, President Trump is elected. And are we going back to that time where we hit 69,000? No, probably not. More than likely not. And this is actually out of response to Bloomberg coming out and calling for a $10,000 a dip down to 10,000, just a little dip down to $10,000, and Ethereum, yeah, going to like 60,000. Some retarded stuff. It's Bloomberg. Like, we watch that shit every day. Matt Miller isn't that dumb. And this is like one of their top trading analysts. I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, I'm gonna find that article just to show you why there's such a outlash on it. Bloomberg 10. What am I doing? I'm just typing random numbers in. There we go. 60K ETH. I love this hallucinational stuff. Look at Google. Your AI sucks. Your AI sucks. Trying to find something in there for Ethereum. Okay, while Bloomberg has published analysis discussing potential high Bitcoin price targets for Ethereum, there is no reason. Oh, what the freak? That's totally off. All right, Bloomberg analyst predicts Bitcoin could reach sink back to $10,000. Yeah, this is brought to you by Buttcoin over on Reddit. What the hell?
Stupid.
Oh my god. I'm going to find an actual article. This is ridiculous. Bloomberg. That's not that. That's not them there. I saw a video of their analyst talking with... I'm going to take off that 60K. Let me see if I can find the video. I'll just show you guys. There it is. Talking with... was it David Lin? Yeah, David Lin. So I actually be there. Yeah, there we go. I was actually watching this a few days ago.
For that, Dave.
See if I can find it. Bitcoin's threshold. What's next?
See all this switching out from Bitcoin, maybe the Ether with people like Tommy Lee and stuff to Ethereum, and I said, hey, well, good luck. That just proves to me we're in this is a commodity space. It's highly speculative. It's wonderful to trade. But buying and holding, I'd say good luck. I fully expect things like Dogecoin, which tracks nothing, is a joke. As we speak, it's at $31.6 billion. We can lop a couple zeros off of that, and it's still too expensive. That's going to come, but the bottom line is this whole space has been on the back of the rapidly advancing, most very expensive U.S. stock market and risk assets in history on a 100-year basis. And at some point, that's going to implode a little bit or revert a little bit. And I think the most significant thing people need to understand is now that this space has really been embraced by the Trump administration, for it to go up, you have to completely expect the success of the Trump administration. It's the opposite of what it was before. It's supposed to be the opposite of politics and government. And then we have to look in the big picture. We've only 6 months in or so into the new administration, and we've got another 3.5 years left to expect us to have only a almost 20% correction in the S&P 500 that went straight up and not have a significant drawdown in the stock market that stays down over this, significantly disruptive, discombobulating person. I mean, he might turn out to be right, but you're changing the world order. To expect that not to happen, I think, is what gold's figuring out, and that's why I think gold is going to continue to outperform most risk assets.
Well, before we move on to gold and other assets, I'll just ask the same question I asked you a few years ago. What needs to happen now to Bitcoin for another zero to be added into the seven-figure territory?
So I think that's a very unlikely scenario, partly because there's too many people who are long it, exposed to it.
Or just in the next 5 years?
No, ever is a long time. Next 5 years, very unlikely. I think Bitcoin is more likely to lose a zero than add a zero at this stage. Yeah. Number one thing for it to continue higher is U.S. stock market has to continue add to its 100-year premium to the to GDP and the rest of the world. It's got to add. It almost has to do that because the correlation is the highest ever. Bitcoin and cryptos are just running on top of this massive speculation. So that's the number one thing I think for it to appreciate. And I think people who are buying might get it. Bitcoin is proving this year, as I showed, its complete negative correlation to the VIX. It's leveraged beta. And sometimes it's more leverage beta than digital gold. Right now, it's clearly leverage beta. And the pile-on factor is when you're supposed to be selling because they're yelling. And I hear about all these flows in Ethereum. I say, well, okay, well, I'm probably not buying as much Bitcoin anymore. And they're proving that it's a commodity. And there's thousands of these, millions of these commodities that are great for speculation. Nothing wrong with that. I remember I'm from that background, from futures. But to me, it's now, it's just reached that point of it's too expensive. And it really reminds me of internet stocks in 1999, of the Japanese stock market in 1989. I started in the business in 1988, covering Japanese customers from the trading pitch in Chicago. And what I read about in 1929 in U.S. stock market. I mentioned that because you just look at our stock market versus GDP, Neil Warren Buffett model. You do have to go back to when Herbert Hoover was elected to have similarities, and Trump might go down with just poor timing.
Gold is an indicator that you're looking at as a precursor to more volatility.
So we're going to 10,000, guys. You heard it there. Freaking Bloomberg. All right, I think a guy is completely. He's on something, man. I don't know what he's on. That was a hell of a rant. I'll give him that. But he's definitely on something. So yeah, that was Mike McAlone. Mike McAlone. All right, moving on, guys. So yeah, again, getting back to that, the response to that is very much so. Yeah, we've never gone back to the previous all-time high. And for us to get even go back to 50K is pretty much not going to happen. 69K, really? 70,000 fire sales at 87K right now. There's the lowest we've ever seen on exchanges. No, not going to happen. Okay, moving on, guys. What else we got? I wanted to do some more doom scrolling before I get too far ahead into this. I want to get back in the chat. There's so many things I want to do. I wish there was more time. Damn it! All right, let me get back real quick. I just want to do a little bit of doom scrolling, just a tiny bit of doom scrolling. Let's see, what can we dig up? There was something else I wanted to share with you guys. Oh no, I got it. I covered it all. Okay. Piers Corbin, Lightning Network will make altcoins obsolete, according to Pierre Corbin. Talking about transactions per second. Look at the Lightning Network right now. This is transacting obviously layer 2 on Bitcoin with 40 million transactions per second. That's insane on the layer 2 Bitcoin. Solana right now sitting at 65,000 transactions per second. Visa at 24,000, which we use that every single day. PayPal sitting at 200 transactions per second, and Ethereum at 15. If we can't do it on the native layer, we will do it on the Lightning Network, and Strike has proven that it is a viable platform. So we got $5 billion. ZBECT is staked. Wow. Massive milestone for ZBECT network and community. Every token staked strengthens our ecosystem and sets the stage for what is coming next. That's a ridiculous amount, too. 5 billion tokens. Oh, look, that milestone reached there. Yes, Elon says that the U.S. government has 14 magic money computers that will make money out of thin air. Let's go. What the hell?
I call it magic money computer, any computer which can just make money out of thin air. That's magic money.
So how does that work?
It just issues payments.
And you said there's something like 11 of these computers at Treasury that are sending out trillions in payments?
They're mostly at Treasury. Some are, but there's some at HHS, some there's one or two at State, there's some at DOD. I think we found now 14 magic money computers.
14, okay.
They just send money out of nothing.
Oh, there you hear. Magic internet money. I thought that was Bitcoin. No, the government's had it forever. Okay. What else we have here? Simply Bitcoin says 12 trillion Fed crisis predicted to drive Bitcoin to $2 million, says Forbes. Forbes has been coming out with these very, very pro-Bitcoin articles here recently. Dollar heart attack, 12 trillion Fed crisis predicted to drive Bitcoin to $2 million price. Redonkulous. Yeah, the Fed is definitely under attack. And if the sooner we abolish the Fed, the sooner we have a free market in the entire world with real money. That's right. Real money. The first real money we've ever made. Bitcoin. President Trump says that tariffs could replace the federal income tax. there we go. This is old news. The idea is, of course, replacing the IRS with ERS, the External Revenue Service, which would be driven with the taxes from other countries, are paid by other countries. That's why the tariffs would be replacing the federal income tax. Okay, almost 96% of the Fed rate cut in September 17th. The market will pump will be insane. This is coming from George. We're George. You're George. I'm George. We're all George. Cryptos are us. Yeah, Warren Buffett has officially stepped down as CEO of Berkshire Hathaway at age 95. Who the hell? Martini guy. My guy. That happened like 3 or 4 months ago? That's old news. Holy shit. Maybe it's just official now? I don't know. Officially? I don't know. Government, Ron DeSantis says he will allow Florida voters to vote on the abolish of property taxes. Do it everywhere. Let's freaking go. Hell yeah. Very bullish for Florida. Probably making that my next home in Florida if that happens. If you own your home, you truly own it. You don't have to own it free and clear of the government. You shouldn't have to pay the rent to the government. I'd love to see the details on there, because what happens if you have no next of kin? You die and it's your property. You don't pay taxes. Who reclaims that? How do they reclaim that? What's the time frame on that? Because it can't just be vacant property forever. That's like almost having a giant landmark in your honor. It's weird. I don't know. I have to know how that works. People say that can't be done, and my question is, why can't it be done? Well, I just mentioned one reason why it might not be able to happen. But anyway, on 1.9 million people, no net population growth over the next 5 years, but the budget has increased 60%. People can't afford to live anymore and keep their homes, and people are going with the government taking their home away from them after they go. Yeah, and hopefully this will end there and start there. I love that we're making these moves though, because we're finally starting to get some progress with like in Ohio. Again, they're the first state to enact no tax on Bitcoin payments under $500 each transaction. That's a huge step in the right direction, and I think it's going to be a good headwind for the rest of the other states to catch up and do a similar thing. And the same thing with this here. If this happens in Florida, it's going to, of course, spread like wildfire to some of the other, conservative states, I guess. Yeah, maybe. We'll have to wait and see. Justin Eric Sub just said live on Bloomberg that the floodgates are starting to open for Bitcoin. I showed you guys today. I'm telling you, the amount of exchanges, it's real. I feel it. Don't feel the price action. I'm ignoring that, but I am feeling it on exchanges. Global wealth is waking up, and it's coming, says DT's son, Eric.
Listen, we're incredibly fortunate in life with or without this endeavor, but we want to win. Anything we do, we want to sprint at very hard. And again, I believe in Bitcoin.
We're gonna win
I'm
so
the
much.
owner of Bitcoin. I've been buying it for several years at this point, and I see its adoption all over the world, and how much it's being embraced globally, and the floodgates are just starting to open, and so it's kind of perfect time. So
there it is. We're moving, and that might have been the time frame where Bitcoin broke 112. Again, Eric Trump taking over, taking that credit. All right, guys, we are getting into the normies now. I got to get back into the other segments before I got to catch up with you guys too in the chat. Oh my God, I can't do tonight, guys. It's too much, too many things. I'm so behind on the chat. Mom, you juicy all fall catalog is in Neb's room. Oh God. Damn it! Ben, what are you doing now? What are you guys dressing up for October open mics? Yeah, I'm going to be going as Satoshi 100%. Strange how gold has a higher price when supposedly more gold than silver on Earth layers. We search. Yes. Yeah, it's kind of weird because gold is not as scarce as silver, but also, too, why aren't we using more silver in electronic components when there's more, silver conducts more electricity than gold, and we don't need, like, something that's, resistant to rust in every single consumer application or electronic, right? I don't understand it. I never understood that in the manufacturing process. Might have something to do with the boiling point of metals, and I don't know. All month, says Ben, I'm going to be getting a life-size Gamma Rita costume. Yes, Gamma. Open mic night, the Bitcoin all-time high chart might break the Bitcoin. Okay, I missed that point. Auto pen. What? Auto pen might break the Bitcoin all-time high chart. I really read that wrong. Holy crap. The auto pen. There is no auto pen in 2025. Come on, Cliff. Get with the news, my guy.
We're going to win so much.
ETH to 60K. Why too high gas fees and feels slowish? Yeah, I mean, ETH has come down in transactional, in gas fees, right? It's not been too expensive to move. So I've been moving things over. I'm sure you guys have as well. It's still higher than Solana. It's higher than most of the other L1s, right? I'd rather transact on Solana or Sui, if I want to look at transactions per second and speed. Yeah, and gas fees. But yeah, a penny. I like paying a penny or half a penny, and not $3-4, $2 here or there. So yeah, only Gamma dressing up for open mics. I told you I am. You're not listening to me, Ben. You're not listening to me. You guys are awful, says Ben. Are you gonna be? How about you? How about you, Ben? What are you gonna? We're gonna go as I think the King of Ohio is probably gonna have a lizard suit. God. Oh god. That Mike dude, you played that video. Maybe not seeing AI in crypto equals economy. Yeah, economic boom. Yes, exactly, Cliff. 100%, my man. Lawrence says, I think Elon is trolling the Fed with that magic money computers. Yeah, I think so too. It's so ridiculous. Elon has a sock thing. What? What is with you and the socks, Ben? I don't understand it. You gotta stay out of our socks, man. If you bury a person on your property and you don't have to pay taxes, or the government can never take your land, and they'll never find it. Don't give us any ideas. There's a lot of people in the chat that might do something crazy like that. Yes, silver oxide batteries, says Lawrence. Interesting. All right, guys, let's take a look at see what the normies. Let's do a checkup on the normies. See how their search history is today. Yeah, we'll take a look there. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Ramona coming with a $5 super chat. Ben, you can go as a sock puppet. I can see that too. Giant sock puppet, Ben. What the hell? I really want to know your fascination. Ben, it's been a minute since you've been on the open mics on Fridays too. I'd love to have you on again. It's been a minute, man. We used to have some pretty good conversations with you. Oh my god, you're definitely a different Ben over there, and we know it. We all know it now. It's very, very, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, let's of course check up on the normies, guys. So of course we're going to see what their search history looks like today. Typically they search for only 3 things: sports, video games, and celebrities. Let's see if they're searching up anything pertaining to our space at all, grading them on a traditional grade level A through F. Here we go. Dancing with the Stars 2025. Naomi Osaka. Libsyn funicular crash? What the hell? UMass Lowell. What time is the Powerball drawing? Yes, the normies want their Powerball tickets. They're getting them all. There's probably a 1 in 2 billion chance by now to win that damn thing. Cowhee Leonard. Wednesday cast. Okay, the new Wednesday is out. Angela Marvel. Okay, Marvel Rivals. We got Wuthering Heights movie. Did Mr. Beast buy the NFL? Who the hell is dumb enough to think that he can afford that? He's got money. He's not that loaded. God, man, what the hell?
What are you, stupid?
God, whatever. Radiohead tour dates. Joseph Ludapo. Amazon Prime membership, free shipping. Going back to Mr. Beast, though. I just remembered, Mr. Beast was trying to buy TikTok, remember? He couldn't afford that. He couldn't even afford TikTok. He was actually trying to partner up with, I think, Kevin O'Leary and everyone else. I think he was just throwing money at the pool to buy it. I don't know where the hell that is. I mean, we totally forgot about that. It's already been almost a year, I think, since they were going to shut that all down. Amazon Prime membership, free shipping. Again, that's still in the search history today. Again, the deets on that are basically, I think you have one household address, and you can't ship for free Prime shipping unless it's that address in your account. But I did dive a little deeper into that today because it does affect me and my family. and I'm sure a lot of you guys as well. I probably will stop buying much stuff on Amazon either way. It's just getting too expensive, and I don't have any extra cash. I'm burning $5 bills now, guys. I can't even find it. I got silly, ridiculous nonsense. But yeah, the deets are basically, I think they're gonna have a family plan, and you'll be able to add members in your family for a certain amount. I don't know the details yet. It's gonna happen in October, so watch out for that. Naomi Osaka parents, don't know. This Naomi Osaka person is a baby. Is this? I don't know. Cardi B's baby? I don't know. Elaine Hendricks, Amanda Asamova, whatever. A Superman sequel, James Gunn. Apparently there's a Man of Tomorrow. Okay, it's a new movie already announced for the Superman sequel. For the last one. The last one was actually pretty good. I watched it. It was all right. Jen Affleck. It's one of the best Superman movies, but it's still like... you can only do so much. It's DC. Jen Affleck, the Hurricane Lorena, Tiny Tan, Osaka. Everyone, Osaka. What is up with this Naomi Osaka? That's like the 4th time it's trending in here. I'm gonna look it up. I don't know what the hell this is, guys. I'm not a normie. Oh, they're talking about the Boo-Boos. Oh God, the freaking Labubu's. Oh my God.
What are you, stupid?
What the fuck? God. Okay. All right. I guess she's getting some rare Labubu's. I don't know. Labubu's. At least Japan's making money. I'm pretty sure those are from Japan, right? Anyway, Whitney Levette. PlayStation Network status. I guess PlayStation Network had an outage. Phillies versus Brewers. Sports. Normies love their sports. NFL Red Zone. All right. They're getting a big old F today. F minus. All this Labubu nonsense and Powerball tickets and Dancing with the Stars. Oh my God, my brain hurts. Someone save me from the normies. I can't take it. I can't take it anymore. All right, let's see if the normies are looking at Bitcoin at all in any capacity. Does not look like they are. Let's look over the last 7 days. Bitcoin breaking up today. Didn't really change too much in searches. 91 early in the morning, so that didn't affect the time which Eric Trump was boasting. Coming down to 53. A little higher than the bottom yesterday, but basically they're not paying attention over time. All right, Ethereum versus Doge versus Bitcoin versus XRP versus Solana. And they're very, very well defined. I said this yesterday. This is like bullish. Yeah, I want to give you guys story time too. I got a phone call today. I forgot. Speaking of normies getting into the market, I got a phone call today from one of my friends. He was asking me what coins he should be picking up. And I'm like, wait, what? You're not in? You're not in already? He's like, oh no, whatever. What did he say? What other alt Bitcoins should I buy? I kid you not. Those were the exact words used on that text, and then proceeding to a phone call. Let me check those texts real quick. My God. Yes. My God. What's my top 3 Bitcoin alts? My God. Oh man. I gave him a phone call and I tried to help him out as best I could, but I couldn't get over that text. Normies are coming back, guys. This is like the 6th phone call in the last 3 or 4 months. So they're coming in slowly. But what's really interesting, and I'm really getting excited, guys. It's really. I'm gonna have to zoom in. I can't do it on my. Okay, you can barely see it when I zoom in there. But I'm gonna take a picture real quick and show you. We're starting to separate these trends, right? And each coin is now getting more definitive Google search history trends. So I expect Solana to break off from Doge soon and get right underneath Ethereum, and then I think we're gonna start to see altcoin season begin. I think we're at the very bottom of it. We're at the precipice of the of the hill we're climbing. Chris coming in with another $10 super chat, my man. Oh my gosh, I got a lot of questions tonight. Oh boy. Okay, so Chris asks the thoughts on Velo. How high could it reasonably go to the market top? Oh boy. I guess we could take a look at Velo. Isn't that like a video platform? What is Velo? I don't remember. There's too many freaking coins, guys. Let's take a look. Take a look at Velo, and I can do a breakdown too, since you contributed to the chaos so much tonight, guys. Thanks again, Chris. Okay, so right now, all time, the coin's been around since 2021. Man, you're picking out all these old launch tokens from last cycle. Again, they've had plenty of time in the bear market to allocate coins as well. So right now the max supply is total supply. Oh, is this allocated? Totally fully allocated? Almost. 17 billion VLO tokens have been issued. 24 billion max supply. So it's got like 6 or 7 million remaining, right? Billion remaining with a B. It's 233 million already invested in this project, and market cap. Token, wow. Market cap, wow. So you can see the tokens have definitely been a steady launch, steady schedule. You can tell by the market cap. So again, I got to point this out, guys. Market cap matters. Okay, of course, with token unlocks as well. So this coin is definitely one of those that have been steady on allocating their tokens. So it's going to require a lot more money to move this coin forward into the future. So right now, we're looking at previous all-time high for this token was 2021 cycle, $1.60, right? $1.80. Okay, $1.80. Wow, at the launch back in 2020. It didn't get as high as its launch, but that's fine. That's fine. It was new back then, 21. Less tokens in the market cap. So what I usually do then is, again, I go back to Coin Perspective, just giving you guys my current breakdown of how I look into projects and their potential in the future with, price discovery and, investing. Come on. Load already. Meanwhile, here's a few words from Sailor.
This entire idea of like 60% dominance is bullshit, ridiculous, stupid.
Man, I'm still waiting for Coin Perspective. Wow. Oh no, please tell me it's not down again. Coin Perspective was down for like an entire month. I almost died. Oh god. There. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's take a look at Velo. 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 There it is. Velo. That's the right token, right? Where the hell did my coin market cap go? There we go. Velo, yes. One more thing I wanted to check before I head out over there. So the previous all-time high was $1.80. And with that previous all-time high, it was, again, I'm trying to teach you guys about market cap. I know a lot of you guys get mad when I bring it up. It does matter. The price was $1.80 back in November 3rd. So let's find November 3rd with price action and market cap. That's close enough. The second. So it was $90 million. There was $90 million. Remember that number. There was only $90 million in the coin, the previous all-time high, $1.80. Okay, so right now this current token allocation, right? And we want to see another $1.80 for Velo. It would have to be somewhere around a $30 billion market cap. What the F? What the hell?
What are you, stupid?
It's not happening. It's not happening this cycle. I mean, unless there's something about Velo I don't know. We can take a look at about this token real quick. Velo Labs is building a unique federated credit exchange network. The network is powered by the Velo protocol, which is blockchain financial protocol, enabling digital credit issuance and borderless asset transfers to business using smart contract ecosystem. The project's core mission is to enable partners to safely and securely transfer users between each other in a timely and transparent way. To do this, the Velo protocol enables the partners to issue digital credits via a smart contract layer using Stellar Consensus Protocol to process and settle transactions within its ecosystem. The Velo protocol enables multiple businesses use cases and are all based on core function issuing collateral-backed digital credits when corresponding to any fiat currency that can be used for frictionless value transfer. That's not bad. Kind of reminds me of like Venmo or something for like corporations. So yeah, it's financial solutions provider. Maybe they'll unlock some more doom spending for the economy. More buy now, pay later. Yeah, I mean, it seems like they're just maybe lending and Yeah, collateral-backed digital credits. Interesting. Either way, it's DeFi. I think it's going to do well. I just don't know. I don't know if it's going to get 31 billion. I don't know if it's going to do that well. Anything's possible, I guess. But $31 billion token right now would be up there with like. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Just kind of compare it. I don't even know if Cardano. I mean, not Cardano. Yeah, not even Cardano is up to 30 billion. I mean, that's right there is a big takeaway, guys. I don't think it's gonna happen. All right, Chris coming in with a $5 super chat. Boom. So you're saying get out of it and put it into Worm? Salute, gotcha. Not financial advice, my man, but you can definitely make that decision yourself. A realistic exit. Let's find out a realistic exit for it, though. So again, going back to the CoinMarketCap to take a look at that token for Chris over there. Hopefully, you guys are getting some, taking away some, some knowledge out of this. I'm doing it for Chris, but I've been doing it so often. It's just second nature to me. So right now I'm looking at market cap for Velo. Right, right now it's 329 million already. Okay, let's say again, to be conservative, right? Be conservative about Velo. It could go a little higher than, but it could go a little higher in market cap. But let's just say, let me double check the tokens are all allocated properly too. Total supply, circulating supply 11. Yeah, so that's a current level right now. So this is not also counting that it might have again a steady token distribution, but towards the end of the year as well. I don't know what their distribution is. Again, that's what I tell you guys, do the research, but you definitely would implement that there if you know there's going to be a token unlock by the end of the year, by the time you look at getting out. Okay, so yeah, token, custom market cap. Okay, so let's say, for example, it gets to, I don't know, let's be nice and say 2 billion, right? Let's be a little conservative and say it's already at a third of a billion right now. Maybe you can get to 2 billion. Not 20 billion, 2 billion. 2.6, that's close enough. So 14 cents on that project right now sitting at, it's a 10x. I'd get out probably around a 10x just to be safe. Maybe a little earlier, maybe take some profits on the way up. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do these crazy things on YouTube. Don't listen to the crazy guy in the mask. all right. So yeah, hopefully you got some more out of that. I do like Worm though. I do like that you brought up Worm. We don't talk enough about Worm. It's not really in the headlines much. I did talk about it was in the headline a few days ago. We talked about it last week. But they're trying to purchase Stargate. Yeah, Stargate to capture some of that market. Okay, yes. Let's go back here to the chat real quick. Might have the wrong Affleck actor. Satoshi movie 2025 might have not been the same Affleck person. What? Normie search mentioned? Huh, I don't know what that's referring to. Chris coming in with another $5 super chat. My man. Damn. Yeah, so tokenomics of Worm look better. I mean, it's definitely a lot more ROI. Yeah, I mean, for sure. We can get into Worm. If you guys want me to, I can get into Worm. God. This is crazy, guys. Okay, I thought I had it on the chart. Do I still have it on the chart? Yes, I do. I got Worm on the chart still. The Worm. Let's do the Worm. Wormhole. Okay, so Wormhole right now. Where is it at in the hour? Let's scroll out, see where it's at on the day. It's just hanging out at the bottom. It's hanging out on the bottom. Yes. I love it. I love this. Absolutely love this. Let's take a look at some long-term tokenomics as well for Wormhole. It's always hard to find this damn thing. Maybe if I type it all out. I don't know. There it is, Wormhole. Wormhole! And let's pull up crypto market cap as well. Oh, Wormhole. Wormfi, really? Wormfi, really? Wormhole. 141 in market cap. It's come up a little bit. Not doing too much this year. Look at total market cap. Again, it's looking okay. Definitely has allocated some coins the last 2 years, right? 2 years? Year? About a year. It launched in 2024. Wormhole right now sitting at the bottom of this. The market cap, it's okay. It's not the greatest, but it's not bad for a year of distribution. Total supply is 10 billion coins. Max supply is 10 billion. It's about half in circulation right now. I don't think they're going to be printing the rest of that by the end of the year. But again, look at tokenomics and token unlocks for Wormhole. Yes, $372 million in market cap. It's a bit high. It's a bit high in market cap. Again, similar to the one you just showed me, Velo, right? Velo. Let's get back into this. But it's only 77 cents. 7 cents per coin. Okay, let's get back to take a look at Wormhole over here. All right, so there's nothing really, nothing more I can really add on to here other than just speculation, right? Okay, let's go back to. So yeah, this seems about right. 4.7 billion total supply. Yep, that's all correct. And target for Wormhole. I don't even think I've made an exit for my Wormhole bag yet. Actually, I do hold a small bag of it, but I don't think I have an exit yet for it. Okay, we'll find one here tonight. All right, so custom market cap for Wormhole. Again, if it gets to about $2 billion market cap, kind of like Velo, right? Kind of like Velo. That would be at a 55 cent for Wormhole. What was that versus Velo? It was a 10x for Velo. You'd be looking at a 602%. Upside up, 602%. What is that? Oh, math. Oh, the math. That's so it's 5 cents. Oh, like 55 cents. From here, what are we at? 15 cents? I don't know, 7 cents right now. 7. Let's see. That would be 55 cents. What's that? What is that? Oh my God, guys, I hate math. Oh my God, especially doing it so late at night too. Oh my God. Oh jeez. 7 cents. It's a little less than a 10x. A little less than a 10x. Wormhole is, it is moving in the background though. It is moving in the background. I don't know. What did I say for Velo? What were we looking at Velo? I already forgot. Rewind about 30 seconds. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I don't remember what I said on Velo. Rob thinks that $2.50 safe exit for Wormhole. What? Chris? Damn, what? $2.50. That's insanity. It's $2.50. What would the market cap have to be for that? 12 billion? This cycle? I'm bullish on Wormhole. I don't know if I'm that bullish. 12 billion. I mean, it's not impossible. It's not impossible. It's a new token, so there's nothing to really go back to in terms of market cap. The closest thing I can think of, maybe the backtrack, what would be, what was last cycle lending platforms? Oh my God, I can't think of one. What came out last cycle? I don't think I was even really investing into DeFi too much. It was mostly about L1s that everyone was really excited about. L1s last cycle. And the gaming narratives and all that stuff. Metaverse. The metaverse. Oh, jeez. Let's see if we can dig up some real quick. I'm curious to see what some of the market caps were back then. Let's see, categories. Let's look at maybe some lending. Gaming, DePIN, derivatives, what DeFi? Come on, give me some DeFi or lending. Gambling, IoT, derivatives, memes, all the memes, moonshots. How are these even narratives? Moonshot, marketplace, synthetics, metaverse. Oh God, interoperability. Come on, really? Oracles. How are none of these in the top? All right, I'm just gonna. Can I really not search here? Let's lending and borrowing. Okay, DeFi. There we go. Lending and borrowing. Let's just go DeFi. DeFi, Hyperliquid. Let's look at top. Let's look at top. DeFi and lending. Can I not? Oh, these are all at the top. Okay, they're already in the top. Chris, coming with another two. Oh yeah, there. Okay, I already got you. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. I'm seeing things move in the corner of my eye. I'm like, oh no, gotta catch that when it happens. Uniswap's old. Yeah, I could probably go Uniswap. DeFi. These are mostly exchanges, DeFi exchanges. Let's go lending and borrowing instead. Aave. Aave is pretty old. I believe Aave's old. Let's take a look at Aave. Launched in 2024. Did it? No. 2020. Here we go. What's the market cap of Aave back then? Yes, Chris, coming in with a $2 super chat. So what the hell should I put my velo into, man? This is not financial advice, my guy. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm trying to give you some solid info, my man. So yeah, market cap right now is pretty much the same as it was back then, about $5 billion. This is Aave. Aave's still pretty big, and the bar cap's bigger than it was back then in 2020 when it launched. So I'm just trying to give you some push you in the right direction. Do I think that it's going to get to a $2.50 price target with $11 billion or $12 billion market cap when Aave from the last cycle is still sitting at the same market cap it was back then? I don't know. I don't think so. I think some of the money is going to flow into Aave. I think it's going to get back into that. Aave is more likely going to hit 12 billion than a new an upstart or a newcomer. I'm just trying to point you in the right direction. I would be bringing my targets down a little bit lower on Velo. If you can't handle the risk, I'd look into another coin with more ROI. I don't know if Wormhole would even be the right one. If you're looking for a narrative, you might just be good holding on to what you got. The reason why we have a diverse portfolio is to make sure we hit one of each, right? At least one. And you pick your winners. If you feel like Velo's going to do better than Wormhole at around the same market cap, I would probably just stick with Velo. I would just, again, do your own research on that. But it seems like they're both pretty much going to hit around the same market cap, in my opinion, when I'm trying to be a little bit more conservative, right? I'm not betting on the moon here. I mean, you can hold it as long as you want. As long as you're taking profits to the upside and it doesn't hit your target, at least your mates came out ahead, right? All right, so again, I got to get back into the chat and catch up with the rest of you guys. There's a lot of hopium, yes. Lots of hopium, says Cliff in the chat. Note of bullish on Natick. See how there's 360 degrees is the only way cameras can go after capturing Tesla camera data. Hopefully, this is the auto robotics driving vehicles. Lots of hopium there. Definitely very speculative as well. And of course, ZBEC. Oh, God. Don't get me started on ZBEC. I can talk about ZBEC all night. Very, very bullish on ZBEC. Yes, Cliff says D-Worm can't hurt to help with the Vision floaters. What? Oh, what the hell, Cliff? Yeah, freaky, but I've done it a few times. And thanks to D-Worm on a live, giving me my last insights to enjoy the unicorn paste. What the hell? Oh my God, I love you, Cliff. You bring the weirdest shit up. All right. Let's get back into it, guys. We got to get into Bitcoin tonight. Where is it going? We already went through all of our segments tonight. We're doing some overtime tonight. Thanks again to everyone who participated in the chaos tonight. Chris coming in number 1 with 2,700 XP. Ramona coming in with a 1,200 number 2. And Cliff coming in number 3, 675 XP. Thanks again, guys, for playing. Let's see where Bitcoin's at right now. And we're going to burn some money and hopefully incite more chaos into the markets. Right, with some more chaos magic. Bitcoin looking kind of stagnant right now, sitting at 111.7. My God, 117 seems like so far away now. Bringing you this, of course, is the live heat map for free. Is of course Kim by the White Snowland on YouTube. Don't pay for something you get for free. Look at all this. Oh my God, guys, we're lighting it all up. Holy crap. Look how much this is getting filled in. $130,000 Bitcoin, $140,000 Bitcoin, $150,000. Starting to get close up there, guys. They know where we're headed. Well, games are incoming. It's really strong now, right at 127? 127.5, something like that. Because 125 would be right about here. Right? A little lower, 126.5, something like that, and the super green there, waiting to short the hell out of Bitcoin at those levels there. They're getting ready for $130,000 Bitcoin, guys. We are already trying to make our way through it as well. We're smashing through this again tonight, liquidating the hell out of people. I wonder how much people got liquidated. If I were to guess, just based on estimation between here and there, being max paying up to 120,000, $18-20 billion being liquidated by that top position there. We're just getting started. There's probably only like maybe if we're lucky, 300 million to 600 million getting liquidated today. All right, so yes, coming back down to probably retest 110 tonight, at least at some point. That's the idea. That's what we're seeing here in this price action right now, with the bears starting to take over the markets. Oh, boys, watch out for those bears, guys. They'll get you. Go pet a bear today. All right, okay, so that's what's going on with, Kim, by the way, still land on YouTube. Guys, don't pay for something you get for free. Let's get into Bitcoin price action tonight and do some Crypto Chaos magic. I've got the I've got the shrine. I think it's working. We'll try it again tonight. We're gonna sacrifice more moolah. I think we deserve to burn a $50 bill tonight. I think we do. We'll see if I got one over there. But yeah, Lincoln. We said goodbye to Lincoln last night. Look at his face. Look at his face. All right. Let's go over there and burn some money. But first, let's remind you guys. Of course, last night we called for baseline bear. We hit it right on top of the baseline target at the end of the evening. Started into baseline. It went into bear and went in and settled in baseline target right at the market open, and with an explosion into the intraday trading hours. We did pretty well today. Let's see if Crypto Chaos Magic can do the same thing tomorrow morning. Let's find out. Let's clean the chart up and do it again. Do it again with 95% accuracy. That's what we're up to. We lost about 2% this year in the last 3 weeks. Yeah, it's been a doozy, man. A doozy predicting these markets the last 3 weeks. Okay, so let's move the ritual sticks into place and get it going. We are in overtime, guys, now. Holy crap. Markets are already trading. I think it's around noon right now. It's almost 10:30. I think that means about 12:30 in the afternoon in Japan right now. Let's take a look. Let's see. Where is Japan right now? Japan time. There it is, 11:30. Okay, we're a little off. We're an hour inversely behind them. Okay, gotcha. 11:30. So they're just getting the day started. They got about 2 more hours till at full swing. Pandemonium begins in trading. Trying not to lose this level tonight, but we might actually break down. It's coming back down for another bottom. This is the third time to retest 111.6. Will we hold it? Well, we can backtrack this a little bit and see if we can hold it. Let's see what we got back here. Oh my God, too many copies. Okay. Let's go a bit further out. 4 hours. We don't have too much here. Not too much to work with here. Not at all. We're hanging on the cliff. We had a bounce there a few times in the past. Okay, we have some history here. A little higher, albeit a little higher. 11.9, 12,000 used to be really strong. We lost it though. If we could just get 12 and stay above it, we'd have a little bit more legs. But we're trying so hard to get it back. I don't know if we're gonna have the legs to do it tonight. Again, there's not that much Bitcoin in exchanges. It could flip at any moment. All right, we'll have to do some chaos magic and find out. All right, let's get on over there and get the ritual started. All right, chaos magic starts now. All right, I'll see you guys over there. Bam. The Shrine of Satoshi. Oh, here we go. Welcome to the Shrine of Satoshi, where we sacrifice more bennies and Jacksons, I guess, today. Jackson. Okay, let's see if we can find my lighter. Oh yeah, I was playing with it over there. Yes. Cannot do Crypto Chaos Magic without our infamous Bitcoin Pizza lighter. Yes, and we're working tonight. Yes, we're working. All right, so yes, tonight I think we're going to just kind of give some love and support to Bitcoin. We're just going to throw a giant slab of onyx down there on the altar. We're going to light the Bitcoin candle. Yes, light the Bitcoin candle. That's the first step in Crypto Chaos Magic. We're lighting the Bitcoin candle, putting that onto the altar. The Shrine of Satoshi demands more upside. All right. Yeah, we're just gonna sacrifice. Let's see what we got. What do we got here tonight? I got some cash in here. Let's see. Let's just screw it. It's been a while since we burned a Benny. Let's just burn a Benny. Thanks again tonight for supporting the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. We're gonna burn a Benny tonight, a fresh Benny. It's been a minute since we burnt a Benny on the channel. All right, and yes, yes. Oh no! Some sacrifices from the past still remain. All right, we got a sacrificial knife. We got all the things. What else we missing? Oh yes, I'm forgetting the moonstone. Where the hell's the moonstone? I left it on my desk over there. All right, I'm gonna grab another moonstone. I'm gonna alt out. How about this one here? We're gonna use this moonstone as an idol tonight, of course, to bring in some power into the markets. And yes, we're gonna burn that Benny. Let's burn the Benny. That's the sacrifice tonight. Bye bye, Benny. Bye bye. Oh my God, that went up quick. All right, we're gonna place it into our pit, the fire pit, and we're gonna finish it off with the sacrificial katana. If I can get it out before it burns all the way. And there it is. There we go, guys. The ritual has been completed. We're forgetting one thing, though. We're forgetting, of course, our mantra, CRPYPTO. And it is done. It is done. All right. Thanks again, guys, for supporting the chaos. Oh, yes. Magmar approves. I just randomly found a Magmar toy. I love it. I love it. All right. Bringing it on. Bringing it on back, guys. Booyah. Oh, God. Crazy nonsense. All right, let's get back in the chat and catch up with you guys. Yes. Oh, Jesus. Yes, D-Worm can't... Okay, I think I caught with that one there. Ripple integrates wormhole protocol to connect XRP ledger across 35 blockchains. Coming out of Kevin Binkley. Boom. That's some alpha right there. Awesome news there. Yeah, will this be a red or green month in your opinion? Asking Jose Pagan. I think it's gonna be a green month, man. I think there's enough analysts out there and institutional. Again, the big ones are gonna be. And we outlined them already. There's a lot of narratives. Lisa Cook, Fed chair. Are we gonna get her seat or not? As a conservative pick, we don't know. Friday job report. We don't know. Fear and growth of the government shutdown or the budget. Are we going to resolve that? We don't know. Probably, yes. We're probably going to resolve that. Fed rate cut on the 17th. 80% chance we're going to get that. And then, of course, the markets are going to rally on anything more than 25 basis point cut. Trump and Putin in peace talks, ending the war in Ukraine. We don't know. And, of course, when 1,000 subs? We don't know. All right, there's a lot of narratives, obviously. I don't know, man. No one can tell you. But if I were going to put money on it, I'd say I'm going to flip 2 coins and say probably going to be green. I'm a Perma Bull bear, though. So Puma Bull, it tells me, okay, one head and 1 tails and boom, 2 heads. I'm going to call for, it's going to be a green month. We've just had, the whole year has been red. The whole year. And the green months we've had, it's only been like 3 to 6%. Maybe like 1 close to 10. I mean, maybe it was 14. I forget. The months have been really not very bullish for a post-halving year. This is the weirdest cycle ever. All right. We're going to do Crypto Chaos Magic, guys. Don't forget. We still got to do Crypto Chaos Magic. I don't want to lose my ability to do that. There is a time limit on this spell. All right. Yeah, so what are we looking at for Bitcoin's price action tonight? Going back to Kim of the White Snowland on YouTube, checking out the chart just one more time. It's looking like the bears are starting to pick up some steam here, but we still broke a lot through here. So there is a lot of the market being reset right now. We have a very clear channel between 112 and 108, basically 107.5. Whoever's counting, right? You guys get the idea. down here, 107.5 and $112,000 Bitcoin. That is the clear channel we're dealing with. We have some bullish, some bullish movement still. We could come back down here and retrace 109 at some point, but again, more than likely, with all the narratives playing out, it's probably more than likely going to go up, especially since it's also following. Don't forget, it's also following the big breakout on gold. Gold hitting all-time high yesterday, coming back down as well right now, and the futures trading right now on the futures market. Yeah, so in the last 7 hours, the last 2 hours, it just dropped almost a little more than 0.5% on gold. Looks like it's about to bounce right now too. Okay, all right, so where were we? I'm all over the damn place tonight. Okay, I was on a different chart. Okay, so yeah, almost looking like the same chart, guys. Look at that. Bitcoin, gold, Bitcoin, gold. Which one's which? This almost looks exactly the same. Oh, I'm losing my mind. That's Bitcoin. Okay, that one's Bitcoin. All right. That was crazy, guys. That was crazy. All right, so yeah, what are we looking at tonight? Probably a little bit of a pullback, and gold is coming back down. We did just lose our level of support. We doubled down here now 3 times in the last hour, I believe. I don't remember what chart I was even looking at anymore. The last 15 minutes, yeah. The last 15 minutes, we lost it. We triple bottomed. Yes, we triple bottomed or double bottomed, whatever. We attempted a triple bottom, which is going to break down anyway. Right now, we're trying to hold on to maybe 111. 111.5. We're trying to fight for 5 right now. Probably going to lose it and go back down to 111 flat. Maybe 110.5, 110.7. Who's counting? I'm going to show you guys the probabilities of where we're likely to go with Crypto Chaos Magic, and I am Instrument of Chaos. Let's get on with it. Okay, so right now we're looking at Bitcoin in the 15-minute. Right now it is falling 111.4 on a flash crash. Normally I would wait for this to play out, but we're already in overtime. 10:30 Eastern Standard Time right now. Yes, 9:30 Central. All right, so I'm going to do our baseline target right now. Baseline target tonight. Try to come back up, maybe lose this, fall back down to maybe 111.5. Then try to reclaim some of this, go back up. Maybe make a little bit of a inverse head and shoulders, reclaim some of this here right around 3 a.m. and we're going to lose it and come back down a little lower, trade sideways. I don't know, man. I feel like even that might be a little bearish for our base case scenario. Still takes us sideways into tomorrow. We didn't lose too much. We're still maintaining our bullish trend. I think that's a pretty good baseline target. We're going to leave that for here. I gotta change the color though. Baseline is not black or gray. Baseline is yellow. Alright, so there's baseline there. And again, it's gonna make a little bit of a inverted head and shoulder pattern to get us through the evening or the early morning. We're looking at baseline. Now we're looking at bear. Bear sends us down a little further, maybe bouncing off this bull trend here, and maybe even losing it, losing 110. Down to 109. I still think 108.5 is a really strong level of support, so I don't think we're going to lose much more than that. Worst case scenario, 108.5, and a chop up for tomorrow morning. Maybe a quicker recovery than that. Again, that'll be our bear case scenario tonight going into tomorrow morning. Then we're looking at our bull case scenario for Bitcoin. Could it happen? Maybe a quick recovery and a bounce. Retest right around noon noon foreign markets time, right? And then a recovery towards 112, maybe 113 right before 3 a.m. Market caught by double top there, and we're going to lose that. Trading in a little higher, trying to hold on to that 12.8 into tomorrow morning open. I don't think that's going to happen, but it's on there for, again, suggesting everything into the universe tonight. And again, most of these are pretty much sideways either way. And then, yes, super bull and super bear case scenarios. Super bear sending us all the way down to the fire sale. That's right, the fire sale. Where the hell is this fire sale? I can't read it anymore. But that orange one there, slightly going up, is the fire sale at about $187,000 Bitcoin right there. Yep, fire sale target. Yeah, we just come back down there because super bears want it, and we're going to try to give it to them. It's never ever happened, but I draw it there to suggest every outcome to the universe. That is how chaos magic works. I do not want to lose a kidney. I do not want. I like my spleen where it is, and also all my other organs. Oh god. All right, and then of course we're looking at super bull case scenario for Bitcoin. Absolutely insane. Going back all the way to 130. This looks like a freaking rocket ship. I gotta redraw that. I'm not even scrolled out enough. $135,000 Bitcoin. Realistically though, if we smash through with some crazy institutional buying, we could actually go to something like what was it, 126.5, something like that. That's where again, if you guys were paying attention, right around that area is where we have a lot of the next whale games are going to be played in that area. So that is our super bear, our super bull, super bear, all the probabilities in the universe are represented on my chart right now. Where are they going to head? Well, to be completely frank with you, I think we're pretty much going to be baseline bear again tonight. We're starting to come back up a little bit, recovering back to 111.6. I don't know. Am I gonna stick with this again? The amount of exchanges it's historic. It's historic. I'm a permanent bull all through and through, and I'm just like, it's hard to say baseline bear tonight. Oh my god! What was the last time we looked at an all-time high? I mean, all-time low on exchanges. Like, I think it's been like 3 weeks, or maybe it's been a month or two. That low, that huge of a drop. We just literally took off 400,000 coins in one day. That is no feat, guys. That is no simple feat. That's a lot. That's almost 500,000 and gone like that in a second. It's probably Eric Trump's company. That's probably it. That was probably their load up, right? I don't know. I don't know how much they're buying off exchanges. I'm sure they have their own, personal over the counter. But yeah, I'm gonna say it. Screw it. I'm gonna say it. Baseline bull. Screw it. Screw it. Screw it. I don't care. Yes. All the time. All right. Yes. Six so scared. My mobile can't even spell sock. God. Oh god, what the hell did you type? I understood what you said earlier. I think. Oh no, I'm missing a bunch of stuff. Oh geez. Okay. Yeah, love the unicorn pace. Yes, crypto chaos magic. Yes, hey guy. We did it. We just got done with it. Baseline bull, man. I'm calling. Screw it. I'm gonna call for it. Baseline bull. Let's get that 112,000 tonight. Let's get it. Let's just get on with it. Maybe holding 111 for basically going back to full circle where we are right now for our baseline scenario to play out. Okay, this is crazy. I need brain invader lube. What the hell? Cliff, what are you trying to say? Because when you say a Burna Benny, I had a mental sick flash. Gonna need to wash my mind. Oh no, I have no idea. I have no idea what you're referring to. But someone help Cliff. Someone send him some lube. I don't know what he needs. Oh god. Okay. Yes, 100%. Congress and the budget should get a notepad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, they don't have to worry anymore. They have AI, right? They're getting. Each branch is getting ChatGPT subscriptions for $1. I'm not making that up. That actually was reported. And they're also incorporating all of their statistics into an AI platform. It's all going to be integrated and put on the blockchain. I mean, I can't believe I'm saying these things out loud. It's insane. Mofos haven't passed a real budget in years, says Cliff. Oh, and maybe past the budget. We'll get another Mr. T win, because winning, and of course win end. I don't know, man. When are we gonna win? I don't know, man. I don't know. October, November, we're gonna start winning, I guess. End of the month. I really feel like the end of September is gonna be good. The beginning is gonna be rough. If we get through all these narratives, it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I don't know if it's gonna be like earth-shattering or anything, but we went into September oversold, and like I told you guys right out the gate, that is bullish for Bitcoin in September. All right, Colin Co says, I'm a bit surprised the country has gone all in by now. Yeah, you haven't gone all in by now. And just by every little available coin with a little bit of money print. Big print, mini print, yes. Actually, it's another reason why I think we're going to go into the next cycle, too. Because they're talking about a average increase of about $500 additional into your tax refund. I forget it's going to be crazy, especially those with overtime or tips. You're going to see a lot more than 500, I think, on average. Okay, all in, 100%. All in buy right now, says Cliff. Let's freaking go. And then we've got Lawrence with the Eagles and the Flames. Let's go, guys. September's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. All right. So that's all I got for you guys tonight. It's been fun. I love hanging out with you guys. You just give me so many great ideas every single night. I'm thinking about making a tidal wave. A tidal wave. I don't know what I'm gonna use though. I'm thinking I have some anime references I can probably think of using, but I don't know. I don't want to get banned. Jesus. All right. So anyway, guys, I will catch you guys. Cowabunga, 100%. That's also on my list. I want a Ninja Turtle reference on the show too. For anyone growing up in the 80s, that's one of my favorite. I love the old movies. I love those old movies. The third one, not so much. But yeah, 1 and 2 were great, in my opinion. Yes. All right, guys. Yes, I have got that in my notes as well. I got so many notes, guys. So many notes. It's crazy. And you guys, I love building the show with you guys too. It's a lot of fun. Every day, I always take something from you guys, right? I always give a little and of course take a little too. I love you guys. I got notes all over the wazoo, man. What else do I have here? Oh yeah, I gotta get back in the Patreon, guys. I gotta go back on the Patreon. I haven't had any time. I just got back from that trip, right? And then I was almost ignoring you guys the entire time. I did get on for the open live mic. It was kind of awkward because I was in a weird location, but I definitely want to get back over there and spend more time with you guys over there. I just haven't had the time. I've been getting the studio. The studio's pretty much done. I'm working out some electrical issues right now. I got an electric bill. Story time, guys, right before we go. I got an electric bill. Almost $400. What? And I had to call the electric company. Apparently, they upped their rate on their kilowatts. The amount per kilowatt. It went up like 20% the energy went up 20% in my area. Oh my god. Holy crap. So yeah, so needless to say, I'm working out some of my electrical things. I've got literally everything on a kill switch right now, except for my computer. So I'm trying to pinch some pennies, man. Pinch some pennies. It's insane. Soundboards are sick. Thank you, Lawrence. Thank you. I'm always working on that every single day as well. I actually got a larger soundboard. I got to implement. This is my old one here. Oh my god, I've been using this now for 2 years. I love it, but haven't really incorporated it as much since I moved. Yeah, I'm looking to get a bigger one because I do have to scroll through like, oh my god, I have to scroll through so many of these pages to get to the ones I need. Remember Groundhog Day? Oh jeez, it's gonna be the same shit tomorrow morning. Yeah, same place. We're gonna be at 111. 111.4. Whatever. You guys get the idea. Have a lot of fun with that. And have a lot of fun with you guys too. Every single day. 100% energy to feed the AI for the crypto. All right, guys. I'm calling it. We're going into overtime. Almost at 11 Eastern. That's crazy. We're gonna hit records soon, though. We're gonna do a full live stream, a full 24-hour live stream. One of these days. We're just waiting for the big moves. I want to do some swing trading on the live too, man. It's gonna be crazy. I can't wait. Fun stuff ahead. All right, guys. Have a great night. Otaku signing out. I'm gonna, of course, do the CryptoCast Magic live streams. We're trying to farm some more subs before the end of the month. All right, guys. Have a good one. I'll catch you tomorrow morning with the market open. Yeah. See you then. Later.
Fly me to the moon, let me trade among the stars. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, bold my king. Oh! In other words, let's make
guys. I didn't get to show you my new guitar yet. See you guys tomorrow morning. Later.
Watch the cash burn, land fade. A new world rises, we've made the trade. The robots are rising, ICE taking the crown. But we're the ones that won't back down.